mustache is fake. Thor is saying my mustache is fake. Well, hey, I got two things for you, buddy. Okay, I got two things for you. First off, if this mustache was fake, would I be willing to put it in front of everybody? And second off, if the mustache is fake, would I be able to do this? And that, my friend, that should prove it. That should prove something. I don't know what I just proved, but I proved it, okay? Appreciate that blue cream of death. This is what I came here for. Everyday situations. Okay. Is everybody ready? It's time. Okay, this is time. Are you? This is actually time to do this, and I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready. I'm gonna tell you. Oh my gosh, hold on. Okay.
Canaries all well and good, but hear me out.
Okay.
Push to prod with a hard cut over on the Friday before Christmas and then dip out until next year.
Yeah, that's how real men do it.
Please never ever ever do that again.
I don't know, you just paid me money to never do it again. Sounds like you want me to do it again. I'm just saying. All right, hey, now everybody shut up! Thank you, Wesley Coder. I have something really important to tell you guys. I have decided that I need to grow up. I need to stop streaming and I need to get a real job. And so I was practicing some Leetcode, and I realized that there's a fundamental problem with Leetcode. You know, there's no risk when you're doing Leetcode at all. There's none. Like, you go into a job interview, and if you do not get it right, you do not get a job. But when you're doing Leetcode, there's absolutely nothing that prevents you from putting in the wrong answer, and it just doesn't matter. So I decided to make a little script. One that allows me to practice my Leetcode, but actually put a little bit of put a little bit of pressure on it. So this will give me 20 minutes to solve a problem. And if I do not solve the problem successfully first try, it will delete the root of my computer. With little sudo rmrf, remove the French, no preserve root. So it's kind of like you got to get it right or you're dead kind of situation. And so this makes me feel the same pressure as if I were interviewing. So I dressed for success. I'm using my proper interview headphones. I really feel like I could get a job now. But I still have to pass these Leetcode problems, and I really have to kind of go through the experience and the pressures of a whiteboard interview. So I created this challenge for myself, and I think it's time to start. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve 2 easy problems to kind of warm it up, then 2 medium problems, and then 2 hard problems. And if I can get past all of those, I think I could get a job. And I can finally give up streaming and go back and work for the man. I'm pretty excited right now. Life has never felt more possible. By the way, thank you very much, Blankfellow, for that Twitch Prime. Let's go. Let's go. The man misses me, I know. The man, he misses me. And you know what? I miss the man too. Okay, I miss that warm embrace of stability, of health insurance. Like, there's a lot of things to miss when it comes to the man. Wow. All right, before we start, can I run a quick can we do a quick 45-minute ad break? This is or a quick 3-minute ad break is going to prevent ads from showing for 45 minutes or for an hour. Can we do that really quickly? I'm going to do that, and then that way you guys don't miss any of the parts, okay? I don't know why I don't hear that. Why am I not hearing that? Sorry, apparently, Daily Push, you don't get that. What? King Ape not happy with streaming. Sent many bits and bananas. Cheer. 200. How did I do that? Did I do a good job? What ads? Keck double, keck L. Okay, Ape Strong. Yeah, Ape Strong. All right, testing. All right, are you guys ready? 45-minute break? Yeah, not a 45-minute break. Nice ad. Yeah, hopefully the ads are good. Imagine ads. I know. Imagine getting ads. Keck L. Shut up. Can we get a prediction for Pacify? Check pinned. Canary is a bird. This government scam to get birds into circulation. Yes. Running ads in an interview would be a power move. Dude, oh my goodness, that is such a good idea. Oh, I'm going to do that. Justin, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Justin. Justin, that is such a good idea. Okay, hear me out here. What if I actually get a fake profile, I get into an actual interview, and then I'll be like, before I can proceed, I do have to run an ad, and I actually run an ad, a 3-minute ad, and I make the person watch me do the whole 3-minute ad. What are we thinking here? What are we thinking here? Like, oh, am I gonna? Dude, fudge, yes, that's amazing. Dude, I love this idea. Like a century? Yeah. Dude, next level. No. We're talking about like a really dumb ad. Oh my goodness, I could get a company to sponsor an ad, and then I could play the sponsored ad in the interview. Raid Shadow Legends. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now we're cooking. People. What if we get a Raid Shadow Legends sponsorship where I say I will do a 2-minute ad read in the first 3 minutes of a video? Dude, just think about this for a second. Lord, I came here to see living history. Yeah. This is crazy. Okay, so I think we're back. I think we're back from the test. All right, so we're back. All right. So here's exactly how today's going to go. I'm going to solve 2 easies. I'm going to solve 2 mediums, and I'm going to solve 2 hards. If I get any of them wrong, I delete the root of my computer. Goodbye, Ubuntu, again. But also, I'm going to treat it like an interview, which means that I first read the question, I then discuss and whiteboard the question, and then I get a 20-minute timer to solve the problem. This should simulate having an interview. This will give me the full interview experience, because typically an interview is an hour long. And so during an hour, you get to do the hellos, you get to do the problem intro, you get to ask questions, and then you have to write code. So to give me the entire proper experience, we're going to have all of those things put together. I do not get 3 tries. I get 0. I get 1 try. Bro's using a VM? No, I'm not. I am, in fact, not using a VM. This is I would like to say that I'm using a freshly installed new version of Ubuntu, and I actually have my version of Ubuntu somewhere else.
Could you please say hi to my dear friend, Brazilian friend Ezala? It's his birthday today and he is like you, 10x engineer, hot guy with a beautiful mustache.
Hey, hot guy with a beautiful mustache. Happy birthday, my Brazilian hot guy. I hope that you have what hot guys do best on a Brazilian Friday. I don't know what that is, but I'm excited. Maybe, hey, why don't you drink a couple capahinis for me, okay? Maybe like 7 of them. Push to prod, drink a couple of those, play a little game of soccer. Okay, here, hold on 1 second. play quick game. Play a quick game of soccer, you know? Just get in there. Get a little Brazil time. And, you know, I get it. You know, you want to be ready. You got to be ready for a game. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready just in case. Okay. All right. Are you guys ready to start the challenge? We're not ready yet, okay? We gotta let's pick the challenge. Now, obviously, we're gonna pick the first easy. It's gonna be an easy. I'm using light theme because that's what people do. Okay, I chose the easiest one to test this on. It looks like everything's going good. So this one says the first 3 display. This feels like a good warm-up question to my all-day interview. So let's start here. Guys, hey, could we quit complaining about the light theme? Everybody, we're grown-ups now, okay? We have our proper Apple headphones in. I'm dressed for success. This is how we live our life. So I need you guys to quit complaining, okay? Because we are doing some very important work here, and we are training and getting ready for an on-site interview with a whiteboard, okay? This is just what it looks like. And if you can't handle the heat, then get the hell out, okay? Because I'm going to get a real job. I'm tired of hanging out with you degenerates, okay? Boomanator, thank you for the community sub. I appreciate that. Toledo Mirror, appreciate that. Let's go. Acorn Splits, how you doing? Good morning, babe. Good morning. Madcap Me, thank you for the tier 1. And M. Knudstrup, thank you for that upgrading your Twitch Prime to a tier 1. Let's go, baby. Mr. Benjamin, thank you for the Twitch Prime. And Runner, thank you very much. Blank fella. Okay, you guys ready? All right, so obviously, oh, it's locked to panda. I'm not doing pandas. Okay, we're not doing that. We just made a joke. We made a joke. I'm not doing pandas because I would just fail immediately. So we're not going to do that. We want a little bit. We want something to last. You know, I don't want this to last as long as a typical evening session. I want this to actually have a little bit of time to it. Okay. Score of a string. I don't even know what this means. 4 score and 7 years ago. I don't even know what a score is. Okay. This is brighter than my future. And fired. All right. I don't want to fire yet. Okay. Let's change it from C++ to JavaScript because obviously, hey, everybody, we're trying to get a job. And Twitter has shown me that if you want a job, you have to learn JavaScript and TypeScript. If you don't know those two, you could literally never get a job in programming. There are no other jobs that exist. All right. You are given a string S. The score of a string is defined by the sum of the absolute difference between the ASCII values of adjacent characters. Oh gosh. Okay, we got this. This is easy. This is easy. There's definitely not going to be a mistake made here. The score of S. Input, hello. Output, 13. The ASCII value of the characters H equals 104, E equals 101, L equals 108, O equals 111. Capital E equals hex 45, or commonly referred to as 69 decimal. Nice. Okay, so that would be 104 minus 101. Okay, so you do HE, then you're going to do EL, then you're going to do LL, then you're going to do LO. All right. Input Zaz, 50. Okay. Constraints. The length of S will be between 2 and 100. S consists of only lowercase English letters. Okay, so let's whiteboard this bad boy. Okay, typical thing, by the way, whenever you're doing an interview, you never go straight into code, okay? You never go straight to code, okay? Foreplay is a requirement at all times. So let's foreplay this problem. Okay, so what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to do a little for loop, okay? Boomer loop, as they're called. Oh, whiteboard, good call, good call, good call. This is very offensive. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. That looks way better. Okay, I feel so much more professional already. Okay, there we go. So this actually feels professional. See, I feel like I dressed for this role. Whiteboard, we're feeling ready. We got our black Sharpie out. Or not a Sharpie, because that'd be permanent marker. We got our black erasable, dry erasable out. We're ready. Okay, so my thought here, interviewer, is that I would like to do a for loop where I start at 0 and I go up to n minus 1. And then inside here, what I'm thinking, okay, I'm just kind of thinking out loud here, is that I would like to start with I and I plus 1, right? And I'm going to get the absolute value of those two characters. And then I'm going to sum all of those up, right? We're going to do a little sum up here, and we're going to do the little s plus equals right here, and we're going to do that over and over again. So that's my thought here. I feel like that's the correct way to do this. And then we're going to just return sum. Yeah, that feels about right. Now, do you guys feel like I should proceed with coding? Now remember, obviously a really big tip when it comes to whiteboard interviews is you should always let your interviewer know that you're ready to proceed. Yeah, don't forget the edge case. I don't even know what the edge case is going to be. The edge case is my computer being deleted and I go home sad. So my guess is I need a little absolute value in here, right? I'm going to put it on the other side. We're going to do a little absolute value plus equals sum, and we got to have a little sum equals 0, okay? I believe I got all the problems correct here. I'm feeling ready. I feel ready to code. I think it's time to proceed. All right. Let's set the 20-minute Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. I actually feel like I'm going to throw up even on a Leetcode easy. This actually puts the pressure on here. All right. Easy1.js. This actually puts the pressure on. I actually feel I feel so pressured right now. Okay. Okay. Here we go. And I'm ready. Yes. Okay, hold on. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Just one second. Let's just make sure that nothing just explodes right away. Okay, good. Nothing explodes right away. It might have exploded right away, and it would have died. Okay. We're looking good. Okay, we're going to run. I'm ready. Okay, I got 20 minutes. Don't get it wrong. 1,200 seconds remaining. Okay, let's copy and paste this code out. Now, as I stated, we're going to do a little quick, by the way that they're defining this function is out of this world. This is the most insane code I've seen in a long time. Okay, we're locked in, people. So this is what I'm thinking. I'm going to go let I equals 0. I has to be less than s length minus 1. Apparently no autocomplete. Never needed autocomplete. I never needed autocomplete ever in my lifetime. Why don't I have autocomplete? Okay, quickly install a language server. Okay, quickly install a quick language server. Quick language server. Okay, get it all done. Okay, yeah. Professionalism through the roof. Professionalism. Okay, there we go. We're in. Okay, we're back. Oh gosh, we only have, okay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go, we're gonna do our little let sum equals 0, and we're gonna go si minus char code at 0 minus si plus 1 char code at 0, yes. So we're going to grab out each one of those. Then I'm going to take the math.absolute value of each, and we're going to go sum plus equals this, and then we're going to return sum. So I think I've done it correctly here, people. Now I'm just going to run, let's run through some test input to make sure that I haven't exploded, and I don't want to use their little run function because it might kick off my script and delete my computer. So let's try a little bit of input code, okay? Let's try a little bit of input code to see what's happening. Nobody tell me. All right, so let's start off with hello. Okay. Okay, here we go. Console.log score of string. And then we also have Zaz. Let's just make sure I at least got those two correct. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh my goodness. I'm actually shaking. I'm actually shaking. Okay, so I did get 13 and 50, which is the proper answer. Let me run through my code and make sure that there's no other things that are missing here. I mean, I don't see anything else that's missing. Oh my goodness, this is so awful. Okay, length. S.length will always be at least 2. So this will always, I will always be able to at least have 1. Let's just make sure that this actually works just in case. Let's also do one that's just ZA. Okay, just ZA. Perfect. Let's go new array 100 fill with just a join console.log, right? All the same character. 100 of the exact same character. Zero. He's actually nervous. Dude, I am freaking out. This is just like an interview. Okay, we still got time. Hey, we still have time remaining. I don't need to go fast. Okay, let's see. Is there anything I'm missing here? You know, this is my chance not to F this up. Okay, this is my chance. Don't panic. Guys, stop panicking! Okay, okay, we got this. Const a equals char code at 0, and let's go like this. Hold on, guys, shut up, please. For let's see, const r equals that, and let's go like this. Actually, I can just do this all as one thing. New array 100. Let's just count up 100 times. Okay, we're just gonna do a quick count. Fill me up, girl. And then do a little xi, and then do a plus I modulo 26. I can just go like this. A plus I modulo 26. Is that right? I think that's right. Yeah. The problem is I don't even know if this is an answer. I don't know what the answer should be. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna go like this. Score of string. Okay. Holy cow! I've never been this nervous in my life. Okay. I'm not even typing correctly. Okay. So I don't know what the answer of this should be. But A is not defined. Okay, good. Good thing we go const A equals a char code at 0. I just want to make sure I got the right stuff here. Okay, we figured it out. We figured it out. Don't worry, everybody. Do not be afraid, people. Do not be afraid. Okay, I think 700 and that feels large. Does that not feel large? I feel like it only should be like 100 and something. Something feels really wrong here. Can we agree that something feels really wrong here? I feel like we've discovered something. Something feels wrong. Okay. Something feels wrong. I need a sig. Really, I need a sig right now. Where's Devin? Devin, do you have any sigs? Okay. We got this. Here we go. Oh, I forgot to turn this back into a string. Okay, you know what? This isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay, good thing we did this quick test. Okay, that was a quick test. There we go. That feels way better. 171. Yeah, see, that's about what I would expect, right? I would expect what? 3 25s, 4 25s, 3 25s, and then the rest are all additions. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. We got this. TMCP, thank you, and Jolene. Okay, here we go. I think it's time, people. I think it's time. I can't keep on. You know what? I just think it's time. It's just time. It's just time to do this. If I get this wrong, I would just like to let everybody know that I will soil my reputation for the rest of my life. Got destroyed by one of the highest submit % chance correct Leetcode easies. Look away! Submit found. Success! Oh, brother, we did it. Oh, let's go. I knew I had it. I wasn't nervous at all. Woo! Okay, we got it.
Great success.
Thank you. Great success. We got it. Okay. Hey, we did it. Looking good, man. Thank you. We did it. Senior engineer here. Okay, today we're locked in, people. This is why you dress this way. Okay? This is why you dress this way. You dress for success. You don't dress to be a loser. And I can tell a lot of you are losers right now.
Clap.
Yeah, clap. Stop being a loser. Dress to impress. And I'm impressing people right now. Good answer.
Lock in.
Dude, we're locked in, dude. Oh, shit, I'm in my sweatpants. Yeah, you're not impressing nobody. All right. That was just the text screen. We have one more text screen to go, okay? Here we go. So, progress. I'm literally shaking right now. I am actually shaking. This is terrifying. I know you guys are thinking, oh well, you could just reinstall your operating system really quickly. You know what I can't reinstall? Your guys' view of me. If I fail on an easy, what you guys will think of me. I can never fix that. All right, progress. All right, there we go. Don't worry, it's not very high. I know. Okay. We're shaking a little bit. Post on Twitter. Edging with Leetcode, dude. Okay. All right. You know what? Good call. Hey, good answer. Let's do a little... By the way, I need to get a new picture taking thing. TJ has convinced me I need to get a new picture taking thing. TJ, you're going to have to show it to me. Okay. Nice. Can you believe that other people somehow were slower than this? I'm not exactly sure how people could get slower than that, but here we are. Remember, we're using light theme today, okay? We're using light theme today because we are professionals. 1 out of 6 completed. I think I'll be getting this job. Boom. Post. I'm going to get a job. People. It's time to grow up, okay? Confidence is dripping from the armpits right now. Okay, we're going to go back to the problem list. No, we're not looking at it this way.
Hey Prime, Devin here.
Hey, Devin.
If you need help, just tell me and I'll be glad to help.
There's a bit of a time limit though, Devin. And so I feel like with the time limit, this is going to be really difficult with you. Okay, score of a string. Okay. We got add 2 promises, modify columns. Find maximum achievable number.
At the Prime Egan, we already think you're human, unlike Thor who is clippy. You should use your starter to hack Thor.
Thank you.
Prediction, please.
Okay, we can do a prediction. Oh gosh, I am so nervous. I am so nervous. Like people, the reason why I'm taking so long is I'm actually shaking. I'm actually having problems. Okay, here, let's get a prediction. I'm going to start an ad so we don't have any ad interruptions. Will I fail? Success. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Time out. Yeah.
Show pits.
I am sweating. I am sweating. I am literally pitting out right now. Okay? I am literally pitting out right now. You guys don't know how hard this is. All right. Okay. Okay. Add 2 promises or modify columns. Which one are we going to do next? Ryan Winchester, easy and elixir. Ryan Winchester, you realize now is not the time to be bragging on me, okay? I have submission doesn't exist. Get wrecked. Okay. Medium pick, it's not medium time. Now's the perfect time. Now's the perfect time. Modify column. Okay, modify column. We're going to do modify column. We're on to part 2 of the, let's see, obviously we're doing the second easy problem. I have complete confidence that I'm going to be able to pass this problem. I have never doubted myself once, and I know for a fact that I'm going to get the job today. Oh, this is another pandas one. We're not doing pandas problem, okay? We're not doing a pandas problem. Screw pandas. I can't, dude, I don't do pandas, okay? So I guess we're going to add 2 promises. Oh, that kind of makes me sick feeling. Adding 2 promises? I don't even know. Which one should we... What is this? Maximum achievable number. All right, easy number 2. I've never been filled with such confidence. I am ready to do this. Given 2 integers, num and t, a number is achievable if it can become equal to the number after applying the following operations. Increase or decrease the number by 1, and simultaneously increase or decrease num by 1. Oh, shit. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Confidence is waning. Confidence is turning into a moon right now. We are waning. Bro, I've gone from a gibbous. I'm a crescent. I'm crescenting right now.
07.
All right, here we go. Example. Let's just look at, hey, maybe the examples make it clear. Number equals 4, t equals 1. Output equals 6. Apply the following operations once to make the maximum achievable number to n. Decrease the maximum achievable number by 1. Increase num by 1. Wait, what the hell is it even saying? Okay, hold on. Given 2 integers num and t, a number is achievable if it can become equal to num after applying the following operations. Increase or decrease the number by 1, and simultaneously increase or decrease num by 1. Okay, hold on. Let's go to the whiteboard. Okay. No, there's no timer. Guys, we've already talked about this. The time starts after the whiteboard. An interview is 1 hour long. First, we read the problem. Next, we whiteboard. Then I say the famous phrase, I think it's about time to code. Shall I begin? You say yes, and then I have approximately 20 minutes to begin coding. I don't see how you guys are this dumb. Have you guys? Oh, you know what? I think I understand. A lot of people haven't actually interviewed before because they're homeless due to AI. Okay, so before AI happened, we used to have to do these things called interviews. And during an interview, you'd actually have to explain your ideas. And then when you got done explaining your ideas, you would then do the coding time, which usually had about 20 to 30 minutes worth of time available. Okay? But then AI happened, and now none of us have jobs and we're all homeless. So it's a very different experience. Yeah, no, Wang. Yeah, this actually happened. It actually happened. This was a real thing. Yeah. Okay, so here's the thing that makes this question so hard, is that maximum achievable number, by the way, pretty sexist, Leetcode, just want to throw that out there. The maximum achievable number is some number X, in which, as far as I can tell, hear me out here, is the largest number away from the number num that is that you can apply a +1 or -1 operation t amount of times. So the reason why 4, 1 is 6 is because of this. If num equals 4 and t is 1, it would be 4 plus t equals x minus t. Or in other words, let's plus a t, or 4 plus 2t equals x. Or in other words, 6. Since t equals 1, x equals 6. So that's what I'm currently seeing, okay? Now let's just verify this. Yeah, I know. But something feels wrong here because I'm getting a little, let's see, what's the constraints? Num is greater than or equal to 1, and t is less than or equal to 50. Now that's a terrifying thing. What happened if t is negative? So they gave me no constraint here on t. Can t be negative? If so, what is a negative t? I'm trying to spill the tea here. So this makes sense. So that should equal 6. So if I did, okay, look at that. Without even looking at this, without even looking at the answer, num equals 3, t equals 2. So if my stuff is correct here, if num equals 3 and t equals 2, let's fill out the equation. Num plus 2t equals x. I would get the following answer. I'd get 3 plus 2 equals x, which 7 equals x. Which means the output should be 7. Decrease the maximum achievable number by 1 and increase num by 1. So the thing that throws me off here is that it says this: increase or decrease the number by 1 and simultaneously increase or decrease n by number by 1. Why would you ever decrease the maximum achievable number? Or why would you ever decrease? Like, I don't understand that yet. A number is achievable if it can become equal to num after applying the following operations: increase and decrease. Negative num. Well, there is no negative, right? There should be no negative, right? Because it's the maximum achievable number, the highest number. Why would you make it smaller? If given two integers, num and t, a number is achievable if it can become equal to num after applying the following operations: increase or decrease number by 1, and simultaneously increase or decrease num by 1. The maximal achievable number is applying after the operation at t time. So notice that there is no description. There is no warning about t being larger, right? So if num, let's just say num equals 1 and t equals 30, you're still trying to, what's the maximum achievable number with respect to num? It has nothing to do with number, right? So I really do think it is literally num plus 2t. Unfortunately, this question is so poorly worded that I'm going to lose. I think it's this. Yes, you can also decrease the number, but why would you decrease the number? I mean, it feels weird to decrease the number. Why would you ever try to make it not maximally achievable? Why would you only make it somewhat achievable? T can be negative. So that's the problem I see, is can t be negative? I don't know how to read this. Here's another problem. Is this statement right here, is it read like this, or is it read like this? I don't know what this means. My guess is probably the latter, but I don't know. And we don't. Can I get an interview clarification? Is anyone the interviewer here? Do we even have an interviewer? Bro, I am nervous. Now I have autism. I know. Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome to autism. Welcome to what it feels like. My guess is that the interview is already over. No, it's not. I've explained it well and I've solved it. Okay, first off, if you're gonna, TJ, that is so rude of you, okay? When was the last time you performed algebra during your interview? The interviewer is impressed right now. The interviewer is extremely impressed. There's just one problem. What happens if t is negative? What happens if I am incorrect? We cannot clarify further because the candidate you have to deal with. Oh gosh, come on. Okay, so you know what? I think I'm just right. I am going to say that I am correct, everybody, and we are now going to we're going to roll the dice. Are you ready? I am ready. Hey, I think that I have enough information, and I would like to program. May I proceed? This one also works as well. Yes.
Honestly, we already filled the position and we just want resumes to hold on to for future positions. Anyway,
Okay.
Please continue with the problem for the non-existent job.
Thank you, Dylan Mulroy. I appreciate that. All right, so I think I'm correct. This will be the shortest stream of my life, and exceptionally disappointed if this actually goes wrong. All right, I would like to proceed. Yes. Pseudo time. All right. Here we go. Maximum achievable number description. Okay. We're running. Everything's running right now. All right, so I got just a little bit of time, so let's just go in here and let's just program this up. So I feel pretty good about this. Let's just grab this. And what should we do? Should I program an edge case just in case there is a negative number? Okay, let's go like this. If t is less than 0, if t is less than 1, then I should just return num, right? Just in case. I'm going to put that just in case because the maximum achievable number by t times will be that. I'm going to put that in there because my autism does not allow me to read that sentence correctly, okay? I'm going to throw that in there just in case. Else, I need to return num plus 2 times t. Now, I know operator precedence does exist and that I do not need to do what I'm doing right there. But I actually feel like I'm going to get it all wrong and I'm going to be sad. So I'm going to do that. Okay. Let's do a little quick test. Console.log, the maximally achievable number. I believe the first one was 4 and 1, and the second example was 3 and 2. So I got 6 and 7. Okay.
I have a meeting in 13 minutes. I'm going to need you to pick up the pace.
Okay. I mean, reasonable. All right. I will have to say that I believe I've gotten this correct. I'm not sure how else to test it. I guess what I could test this with, I guess I could test this with the smallest possible numbers that they have suggested. Right? And that should be 3. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Let me make sure that makes sense. Yeah, 3 makes sense because I can, if it's 1 and 3, I can add 1 to 1 and I can minus 1 from 3. That's 2. Right? So there you go. They both achieve 2, so there you go. And then 50 and 50, that really should mean that I should be able to go up to 150 and 50 because I should be able to subtract 50 and add 50, and that will be 100. And so that should be 150. Okay, so I think I'm right. I'm just going to go with I am correct, and I have nothing to be afraid of, that everything in my life is good, and that I, in fact, know what I'm doing. So if t, for whatever reason, is less than 1, and this is actually not that, then the maximum achievable number should simply be the number. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. It's okay. I'm not scared. I have time. Oh my gosh, I am shaking. I look, dude. I am really pitting out right now. Okay. Why is this so hard? Why is this so bad? Why is this a real thing? Why can't I just enjoy this? I still don't understand the solution. The solution is perfect. It makes perfect sense. Just apply a little bit of algebra and it makes perfect sense.
Wait, don't hit submit. It's the wrong answer. It's the cookbook.
Oh my gosh, why would you say that? Now you have me like questioning my whole life. Guys, I'm going to have to continue to stream to you degenerates if I don't get this answer. So it's like I have to get this answer or else I remain unemployed. You don't realize how important this is to me. Okay. I'm hitting submit. Oh, I knew it. Oh, brother, I I knew it. I just knew it. I knew that I was correct. I knew it. I felt it. Let's go. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Good answer. Good answer. Absolutely blasted through. Guys,
I also knew that you were correct. I did this problem just before my TTS.
Thank you for giving me the confidence of telling me I was wrong. All right. Looks like I do not have to delete my computer today. I've gone on to the next round, everybody. We're on to the next round. I'm on to the mediums, which I'm very excited about, by the way. Mediums is a great, you know, I've never felt this confident in my life. I know for a fact that I will be able to win this challenge. Okay, I know it. I'm ready. I've never been more ready. I'm ready. All right. Should we update the title? Should I update the title into I'm okay. Okay, gosh, I'm so nervous. Hey, YouTube. Wow, there's a lot of you on YouTube. Hey, YouTube. I appreciate that. I appreciate all the support, YouTube. Look at you guys go. It's time to start the mediums coming up here. Skip medium and go hard. No, that's not how we're doing it. That's not how we're doing this right now, okay? Can you make it more efficient? I'm not going to try to make something more efficient. Yo. Dog. I am... I ain't doing that. That's crazy talk. Hey, brother, I know you might delete your computer, but I think that you need to make it more efficient. Yeah, okay, real talk. If I were to make this more efficient, you know what I'd do? Not use JavaScript, you dummy. Okay, look at this. It requires 54.22 megabytes of memory just to initialize JavaScript, okay, because there's a runtime. Did you know that buffer, a thing I never used, in fact, got created? This is Node, okay? Stop. Stop. We're not going to make it more efficient, okay? That's just not going to happen. This is a React startup. Guys. This is the most important part about interviews, and I want you to know this, that when you're doing an interview, you will be asked a series of questions in which will never have any real impact on the things you do during your daily job. Okay? You just need to understand that. So, I have successfully deciphered this problem, which is actually one of the closest things you will do to your real job, which is trying to figure out what the PM is actually asking you to do. Okay. We got this. All right, we got this. Let's go to the next list. Here we go. We're going to go to the next one. All right, so I'm officially the next level. Progress, where are we at? 2 out of 2 easies. Okay. We are in the mode here. What if AI learns how to figure out what the PM is asking to do? I think the problem is that I don't think PMs can accurately describe the problem. Okay. I've passed junior level. Okay.
Before we move on, we're going to need you to explain your design decisions and the big O value of your solution.
Okay, I can do that really quickly. A quick explanation of the big O of that is that obviously big O, there's 2 different things. We got memory and we got speed or time complexity, right? However you want to say that one. So the time complexity and the memory complexity of my solution, it does not matter whether T is 0 or infinity. And it does not matter whether num is 0 or infinity. Neither memory nor time is based on input. So therefore, for time, it's O of 1, obviously, because it just executes regardless of the inputs of the input size. And obviously the memory is O of node, which is a lot of memory for an exceptionally simple problem. Okay, good answer. Good answer. All right. All right. By the way, Primetime, well, what's your take on engineering? A good engineering challenge for a full stack engineer, dude. I think a take home is way better. All right, I gotta go pee because this is so intense, and then we start the medium. Oh, thank you. Oh, hey, shh.
Hi Prime, interviewer here. I know you may not like JavaScript, but please refrain from the complaining. We like JavaScript at Professional Corporation.
It's true. It's true. Grizzly, thank you for the Twitch Prime. I appreciate that very much. The Silent Arrow, thank you for the brand new or the resubscription to the Twitch Prime. Pulse Reaction, thank you for the tier 1 18 months. Wolfcut, thank you for the tier 1. And Mo Logic, thank you for the Twitch Prime. Chris, don't miss. No, he don't. Thank you for the tier 2. Ryan Winchester, let's go with that Twitch Prime. Come on, Ryan Winchester. Shoe Brews, thank you for that tier 1. Many appreciations. I think I got everybody that I haven't missed. Lord Mako, thank you for the tier 1. Anybody else? Did I miss anybody else? Dorasa Dev, thank you for that Twitch Prime. Sorry, we're in a bad spot right now. Josh Develops, thank you, and Bad Flea, let's go. Has he deleted his computer yet? Clearly, I haven't deleted my computer yet. Okay, so we're gonna be choosing the next problem. We'll be choosing the next one. I'm kind of eyeing Debounce. I kind of feel like I can Debounce. Okay? I feel like I could Debounce. All right, I've rewritten that for TVUI, for Netflix when I was there, back when I used to be employed. I'm no longer employed, people. What do I do when I'm not employed? By the way, can we do a quick check? Is YouTube actually beating? Is YouTube actually beating Twitch? Dude, brother, my brothers in Christ, you've let YouTube, you're my new main babe. Hey, you know what? Hey, YouTube. Twitch, you guys are over there now. Hey, YouTube, you guys are looking good. Hey, you know, I just thought you guys...
Hi Prime,
Shut
Devin
up!
here.
Shut up!
I have just successfully pushed a new branch. What's next, King Ape?
That's, first off, that was days ago, buddy. And you're no longer my main honey, okay? Hey, how's it going? Yeah, how's it going, YouTube? Yeah, you guys are great. Yeah, YouTube, you know, honestly, YouTube, you've always been my favorite. I just want to let you know now, you've always been my favorite. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? In fact, I like you guys so much at this point. I'm going to insert some quick ads. Let's put in some ads. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to monetize on your ass really quickly. Yeah, that feels pretty good. Okay, so let's move on to the next problem. Let's do the medium. Here, hold on. That's a good question. Let's do one more set of ads. Yeah, a little bit more ads. Let's really let's insert it. Yeah, bro's cooking. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go pee-pee. I'm going to get this out of me so I'm not too nervous. Also, I'll run ads here so we don't have any more we don't have any ad oopsie daisies. Okay, I'll be right back. And then we move on to medium. All right. All right. I'm ready. All right, people. It's time. It's time to move on to medium. I believe I'm going to get a problem. Hey, guys, can I ask you a quick question? Is it okay? I hate your shirt. Hey, guys, this is a professional stream. I am going to get a job and leave you degenerates in the dust. You got that? Ridiculous. Karen, hey, you know what? I would just like to personally state that I think you've been doing a great job. I think I see some people out there breaking some of our employee handbook rule set, and I feel like we need to let them go. So I was considering writing a nice letter to everybody, handwritten, and make sure that they get escorted out of the startup properly, okay? I really dislike this lack of professionalism. This is a professional stream. This is a professional workplace, and the startup, being a multi-billion-dollar startup, has many requirements, and they're just not respecting it. They're not respecting it at all. Please. Let's start firing some people. Okay.
This is why we aren't supporting you as much on Twitch. You don't value us. Digens can have you.
You tell him, Digens. Thank you, Ken Neefy. Appreciate that. Hey, let's see. Hey, Christian Pav, appreciate the Twitch Prime. Cyber Terran, thank you for that tier 3 and Cryo Melt. Let's go with that tier 1 and 4G40.
I just got a call from Karen. She's concerned you're not a team player. You'll need to change your behavior if you want to stay at the startup.
What? She said... What? Karen, Are you really? You back channeling me right now, Karen? You back channeling me? Hey, you know what? I don't like to pull rank here, but don't forget that I'm not just the founder. I'm the chairman of the board, okay? You keep this kind of behavior up, you're out. You're done. It's over. Don't ever let me catch you. Don't let me catch you. Ever talking about me again, okay? In fact, put that in the employee handbook right now. Right now. Put it in. Yeah. Right at the end. Bold lettering too. All right. Don't pretend to talk to HR. You're unemployed. All right, here we go.
Since when does our company allow bathroom breaks?
It's true. It's a good point.
Also, your standard of conduct training is overdue.
That's you know what? That's true. I have not. Hey guys, can everybody get ready for some Athena training? We need to do some Athena training as quickly as possible.
I just got another call from Karen. She's really upset. She said something about yelling at her on her birthday.
This is so messed up of me. Could you ask Karen if the Christmas bonus has been sent? You know that Christmas bonuses get sent as a proportion of your salary. You already know that. So you guys pay me to be here. That's your salary is $. So I'm still waiting, okay? I feel like I don't see a Christmas bonus right now. $5 a month. Sorry, I had to really just bring in that attitude, you know what I mean?
Unfortunately, due to your performance, we have audited your personal machine and found evidence of Garapaho of D's nuts.
What's Garaparho? Why didn't the sound come through? Spying wind, where is it? Where'd it go?
Buy yourself something nice.
Yeah? That was the words to D's nuts. It wasn't even a D's nuts. It was terrible. Oh, I'm checking the settings. I'm not exactly sure what just happened there.
Crisis averted. Karen is doing better now. She's even finished 2 Leetcodes since calming down. How many have you done again?
Okay, I've done a lot, so I don't... Here, just shut up. Let me try to replay that. I think replaying will usually play them one at a time, but maybe I'll do 20. It's not even playing them. I can't get it to play. Could somebody gift a quick 20 just to see if it's working? I just need to see if it's working. By the way, we'll continue once this hype train's done. I just pressed replay and it didn't seem to play it. I guess, yeah, I guess it's just not working. I tried again. That's right, I got oldest trick in the book. Oh, got him! Wait, it's not working? What? Okay, Lithium, I'm actually sorry. That's actually supposed to work. I don't know what's happening. Brother, you're getting scammed. Brother, you've been scammed so hard.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Okay, that seemed to work.
Welcome.
Oh, there it goes. Bye. Oh,
Welcome to Costco.
hey, we're back.
I love you.
Appreciate that.
Welcome.
Oh, we're gone. See you later. No. Wait, are we back or are we not back? Oh, there's like a little play box right up there. Do you look at the little play box? Okay, I gotta quit messing with this. Okay, people. Okay, Code Girl. I don't know what's happening, Code Girl. Bang! Whoa, that scared me. Code Girl, I don't know what's happening. Thank you, everybody. YouTube chat is not funny. Yeah, did you name your channel after KSI Logan Paul during Prime? How many times do you think you want to ask that question, Danny? Danny, what's your plan here, Danny? Thank you, DigiCrest. Appreciate that. Let's just finish off this hype train, and then we can move on to the medium problems. Okay, I don't want to just rush it in the middle of something. Okay, I want to be able to be just focused. You know what I mean? You can see it like playing little. It's like doing little subs, but they're not really anything. Okay, hold on. Let me just refresh it. Nobody knows what the hell's happening right now. Especially me, the streamer. There you go. Hired $5.
Bang.
Thank you.
That scared me.
There you go. Thank you. Have you ever thought about an evil Primogen called... Is that supposed to be Primogen backwards? I don't know where you're going with your jokes.
Hear ye prime. Deving he ear. I am high I.
Hey. Guys, I don't know.
Give me the meat and give it to me raw.
I guess 5 gifted subs works. I don't know, people. I honestly don't understand this. Okay. Can you pronounce Nepal? I assume it's called Nepal. Nepal.
Can you sing the alphabet backwards?
No. No. You know, it's like a trained thing. You don't know Twitch. I don't know Twitch. I don't.
Hi Prime, this is the CHRO Baron. We need to talk about Karen offline. Give me a call. Okay, thanks, bye.
Okay, I'll do this. I thought this was a coding stream. This is one. We're just letting this thing run its course, okay? Hey, guys, we will continue in 3 minutes and 50 seconds, okay? Nobody knows Twitch. I am not a Banovator. Yes, you are. HTML, unemployed HTML programmer. Pada soa. Appreciate it. Had a DUI check, and the cop pulled that on me. And I was like, I can't do that sober. Brother, even if I was sober, I still couldn't do that one. Can we pick a different one? YouTube chat seems more toxic. Here. Mirror. Guys. YouTube chat, fix your shit, okay? Mirror.
This goes out to the Primogen.
Hey, 10 gifted subs seems to work. Hey, thank you. Appreciate that, Girl. You didn't have to do that. You're at 108. Brothers.
Here is your Christmas bonus. Have a banana, cigarette.
Thank you. Go back to coding. We got to wait for a second, people. Guys, we'll do the next one coming up here shortly. Linux, thank you. Appreciate that Twitch Prime. Appreciate everybody. Wordplays, appreciate that Twitch Prime 15 minutes ago that I never said thank you for. Thank you, everybody, for these little individual ones. Digicrest, Your Happy Place, XRuby, Ryskintish. Thank you very much. My favorite palindrome, though I do not know how to say her name, Sows, Contras Dev. Appreciate the Twitch Prime. Forgotten Proxy. Nivical Mighty, thank you for the Twitch Prime. All right, you guys ready to get started? Dozy Rosie, thank you for that 3 months of tier 1. Let's go, Padosa and Linux and Dr. The Mr. Dank. Let's do this. All right, you guys ready to do this? Here, hold on. Hey,
Can
Danny.
you touch your nose with your tongue?
Danny, I'm gonna hide you from this channel, which means that the moment that this undo box disappears, I literally can't undo it. So you are literally never allowed to talk.
To YouTube. Enable TTS for YouTube chat. Internet mustache main.
Okay, and I'm also gonna hide you. There you go. So you also will be hidden
Here
forever.
At Big and Firm, LLC, we value dress codes, and I gotta say you're looking sharp.
Bye forever. Bye forever. It was good to know you. Bye forever and ever and ever. Forever. Forever ever. Let's go. Banned forever. I don't know how to undo it, so suck on it or whatever you need to do. Verzappin, thank you for that. And Odila, yeah, here at Big Farm, Big and Firm. Dude, Big and Firm is a good one. Yes, I'm dressing to impress. Yeah, I'm looking sharp, feeling sharp. Flip. Twitch can chortle my balls. I'm moving to YouTube. Enable TTS for YouTube chat. Dude, no way. Girl, can you touch your nose with your tongue? I actually cannot. Can we have a heart rate monitor? No. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh, wow. Another person wants to be permanently banned. Okay, I guess, Joseph, you're also permanently banned for...
Can you do a backflip?
I can on a trampoline. It's my favorite PoE2 streamer. Yeah, we might do some PO2 after this. Okay, I think we're done, people. I think this level 13 hype train has petered out. Here we go. All right. Get a trampoline right now. I have one. It's time to debounce. My brain won't let me attempt a backflip. Yes, it will. You just have to, you have to lean through it. That's all it is. It's really easy. No tramp cam? No tramp cam. Ignoring my super chat? Oh, did I miss your super chat? What was it, Cake? Cake. Make Leet dark or Karen will see you in her office. No. Well, this is a professional stream. But, okay, this is a professional stream. How old am I? 38. I'm old. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're going to move on. Let's move on. Here we go. We're going to go to Debounce, people. Medium number 1. I have officially made it past the phone screen, and I'm now in. Guys, please stop. Don't distract me with that, okay? Hey. Thank you for the 10 gifted subs. That's crazy. Appreciate that. Let's go. And thank you, Saruto. Appreciate that. Okay, I've made it past the phone screen, and I'm ready to take my in-office meeting. This is obviously the pre-lunch interview. It's still easy. We haven't hit the big ones, but we are going to start Debounce medium. It's obviously a function that's returning a function. This is, oh boy.
Give me the meat.
Oh
and give it to me raw.
boy. All right, we're going to give some meat. We're going to give it to you raw. Okay, guys, I thought level 13 was going to be a done hype train, and you guys aren't letting this thing die.
What's the best window manager for Windows? PLS suggest. PLS don't suggest to use Linux.
I think it's very ironic that an operating system named Windows doesn't have a Windows manager. Boom, roasted.
Give me the meat and give it to me raw.
Thank you, regarded Glizzy. Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
I'm building an app that blocks other apps until the user literally touches grass. There's a waitlist at touchgrass.now. Do you have recommendations on how to market it?
I think you just did. I think you just marketed it right then and there. All right. All right, Mir, I have warned you. You're annoying. Get the hell out of here. All right, sorry. I'm not used to having this many people on YouTube. YouTube is filled with just a bunch of dumb people. Mir, you're out forever. Like, literally. You got to quit. You just couldn't figure it out. Twitch is greater than YouTube. Are they, Nick? Are they, Nick? Can you bench 350? No, I can bench 205.
Love the Penguin Cup.
Thank you. It is a good Penguin Cup. It is. Cater Waiter, appreciate the $5 a month. No, Aim Wolf, thank you very much. And Noob Stomp. All right, guys, I'm just going to move on. This hype train is incredible that you would do this for me. I am very appreciative. But we're just going to move on, okay? Maru, Fluffy Black Hat, love your content. Thank you. Appreciate that. What am I drinking? I'm drinking water with some herbs in it to protect my throat because I do a lot of screaming.
Keep the hype train going.
Oh, appreciate that, includer. Hey, YouTube is greater than Twitch. Dude, you're hurting my feelings, Nick Child. I just want you to know that. Okay. To the moon. Boo, sell out. The people love that smile. Guys, I'm not selling out. We're ready, okay? Are we ready? Are you ready to do this? YouTube pays better. Preach. YouTube VODs pay better for advertisements. For sure. Is Mario Bros streaming? Yeah. Well, that seemed to work now. And that scared me quite a bit. What the hell was that all about? Why did that not work for the last little bit? Leetcode is cringe? Absolutely, Michael. Okay, well, that was terrifying. Guys.
The Karen TTS dialogue was unhinged. Best stream content ever.
This goes out to the Primogen.
I imagine you look like Mr. Bean without your mustache.
Hey, okay, guys. I would like to proceed. And so I think that we should all chill out, okay? Can we just chill out for a second? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna move on, all right? And hey, no. Hey, whoa. No need to stand up in this exact moment, but we're going to move on, okay? Okay. Thank you.
Chilling out.
When I said that this place was a professional place, I meant professionalism, and nothing says professionalism.
Guys, I think he's getting upset. Maybe we should just chill, or not. I'm not your dad.
I'm in a monologue. Okay, guys? Hey, I don't break the fourth wall often, but I need you to stop.
Give me the meat and give it to me
I
raw.
should turn alerts off on the specific part right here, okay? Nothing says professionalism more than getting into someone's face in the most intimate time of their life and letting them know that it's time to move on, okay, Karen? I'm unashamed of what I did out there. Unashamed.
Stop interrupting him.
All right, here we go. Let's do this. Okay.
Yep, definitely Mr. Bean.
Okay, guys.
But he would never crawl under my stall.
I'm trying. I really want to get focused here. Okay, let's get focused here. Shit! All right. Here we go. Problem 27 debounce, given a function fn and a time milliseconds t, return a debounced version of that function. A debounced function is a function whose execution is delayed by t milliseconds and whose execution is canceled if it is called again within that time window of time. A debounced function should also receive past parameters. For example, let's say t is 50 milliseconds, and the function was called at 30 milliseconds, 60 milliseconds, and 100 milliseconds. The first two function calls would be canceled, and the third function call would be executed at 100.
Don't let me down. It'd be a disappointment.
It's not going to be a disappointment. Don't worry, I got this. Will be executed at 150 milliseconds. Okay, I see this. So in other words, we have input, we have the events, we have the debounce event, and then we have call, and then it gets debounced. And so, okay, I see how this thing goes. I see how this one goes. I see how it goes. Okay, so let's see. Instead, if t was 35, the first call would be canceled, and the second call would be executed at 95 milliseconds. If the third would be executed at 135 milliseconds. Okay, they really just, I don't know why they did all of that. Why didn't you just write out a new set of times? Why didn't you just write out a new set of times? Hey, interviewer, you're doing a bad job. You're doing a bad job, interviewer. Okay, t equals this. T calls at 50. T calls at 75. Output should be 125 with the two inputs. Correct. Mansplation. Console log now. We're going to do all this one. We're going to do all that one. Console D-log. Oh, getting the D in there. And we're going to call once. We're going to call twice. Okay, perfect. I think I can do this. I think I can do this pretty easily. Now, this is the part of the interview where I'm going to explain to the interviewer. I'm going to ask him, hey, do you have Lodash in your in your code base? Oh, you do have Lodash. Let me get this straight. You're willing to ask the question debounce, but you're not willing to put it on the line when the real thing counts. Is this why you're hiring me? Because you're too afraid yourself to write this code? I will write this code. But first, we whiteboard. Okay, like any good interview, you don't just go right into it, okay? You don't just go right into it. You gotta warm them up a little bit. So here's what we're gonna do. We need this function that's gonna need the return, right? That's gonna be able to take in effectively args, right? And args are the little dot. So that means at some point I need to call this function.apply. Now I noticed that there's no apply. There's no this variable, which does worry me. They didn't give me a this variable, right? Yeah, I only get function and t, but I don't get a this, right? There should be a this. Hey, just so you know, interviewer, you also kind of got the definition of debounce incorrectly, as you're not providing an opportunity for me to be able to apply this. So just so you know, not very good design principles here. I would expect you to do better. Why do we need this? Because not all functions are defined as arrow functions, which lexically bind to this, obviously, interviewer. Sometimes people just raw dog a function clean off and they wanted this object, or maybe they have a class so they can just go ob.do and pass it in. Okay, this is a real thing. You wouldn't understand, interviewer, because clearly you're not writing real code. But that's fine. You don't know this. That's okay. So then I will do something that looks like this. So we have two options. I can either go function and I can call with args. One beautiful part about JavaScript. I know there's an arg limit. I don't know what the arg limit is, but I think the arg limit is probably way too big for anything else. So we can do this, which I think is probably the way to do it. Or I can use an apply and then use args here. One of the two. So that's kind of my general idea. And how I'm thinking about doing this is that I'm going to have an ID that represents the timer. And it's going to start off as null. And then every time I come in here, if ID equals null, right? If it equals null, then I'm going to create a new timer. Else, I'm going to cancel the timer and set a new one. And then after all of that, I'll have some sort of outer args up here that I'm going to set the inner args to. So I'll always have the latest args. I will always have just one timer, and then when it executes, we crush everything. That's my idea. Sounds good? All right, at this point, within the code, or within this, I would like to say that I feel that I'm ready to code. Oh, actually, there's one last thing. I'm going to define a function up here called like execute. That's going to do the actual ID and args and then reset the ID and do all of that, okay? Yeah. Anyways, I feel like I'm ready to code. Interviewer, is it time for me to code? Yep, go for it. Awesome. Okay. Please proceed. Thank you. All right. I will now start the next session. And go sudo password. It's been that long. All right, we got 20 minutes. Let's go. We're on Debounce. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. I'm going to yank this son of a bee right here, and I'm going to take it, and I'm going to print the following out. So I'm going to have a function called execute, which is going to be pretty simple. I'm going to have let args equals nothing, and then I'm going to also have let ID equals null. There we go. This looks good. And then I'm simply going to go function execute args, pass all those args in, and then I'm going to go ID equals null. Does that sound good? That seems to be about the right way to do this in my head. Now we're going to return this thing, and I'm going to go like this. If ID equals null, actually, how about this one? If ID does not equal null, then I'm going to go clear timeout ID. All right, fantastic. Then I'm going to go ID equals set timeout. I'm going to go execute T. Yeah. And then args. Ooh, we can't use that. Let's go. Can I do outer args? There we go. Oh baby. Outer args. That could have been a disaster. Just an absolute disaster. So I think that's everything I need to do for this medium. I think I've actually programmed the whole gosh darn thing here. So let's do it. Okay? Let's do this. We feeling good? Now, one thing that's going to be difficult is that they have stuff that's exactly on the boundary, which means that they're probably taking over set timeout. So I'm going to just pretend that I'm not going to put things perfectly on the boundary. All right, so first example is this one and this one. So I'm going to do the exact same thing right here, right? Here we go. I'm going to take their example code. Yeah? And I'm going to call dlog. Oh, brother, we're going to dlog that. And so this should print out, if we've done this correctly, which we are currently calling this function easy1, which, I mean, that's completely inappropriate, by the way. Completely. Medium 1. I mean, all right, there we go. And I'm going to go node medium 1. So there we go. So I called it at 130 with argument 2. And their expectation should be 125 with argument 2. Okay, so my guess is that what happened here... Oh, no, don't worry. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. My guess is that date.now just sucks. And all these things also suck, right? So I'm calling something at 50. I'm calling something at 75. There's a lot of wish-wash. There's a lot of this going on. Because watch this. Watch this. Right? There's some wiggle room. So they're doing picture perfect timing here. I'm not doing picture perfect timing. So I'm not too worried about that. Not too worried about that. And so the next one is these two calls right here. T is 20 and these two calls right here. So we can easily do that. Let's jump back in here and let's go like this. T equals 20 and we're going to call at 50 and 100 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think this is probably good enough. Let's see, that's 50, 100, inputs 1, input 2. Yep, and then so we should have both of them. And so that means we should have two printouts, one approximately 70, one approximately 120. Yeah, Awesome. Awesome. Okay, good. So I got those two correct. We still got a lot of time. Still got a lot of time, but I'm feeling pretty confident here. I'm feeling pretty confident on this one. I'm not going to lie. Look at that. I'm no longer pitting out. Confidence is going up. Just like any interview, you know, you make it past the initial interview and you start feeling good. You start feeling really, really good. But let's just make sure I haven't goofed up anything. There's an example 3. If t equals 150 and we do this, we should get called approximately at 450 and 200. Okay, deal. Deal. Let's do that. I just canceled the thing. Oh, shit. That really makes it feel so inappropriate. Okay, how much time did I have? Here, quickly edit the script. Hold on. I just broke it. I just broke it. Instead of 20, we'll go with 12. Okay, I'm gonna go with 12, and then I'm gonna rerun. Even though it says yes, I'm ready. There we go. Don't get it wrong. There we go. We have only 720 seconds, so I received a 200-second penalty. That's a 200-second penalty for cheating. Obviously, that was cheating. Obvious that was cheating. Obviously cheating right there. Okay. All right. Let's do this last one just to make sure. Yeah, deserved. It was deserved. Hey, honorable cheating. That was an honorable cheat. I penalized myself. Everybody knows that was an honorable cheat. Don't even try it on me, okay? Don't even try that on me. You know for a fact that was good. Okay, I came in there. I was just so honorable. So many units of honor. And you know for a fact. You know for a fact. And then T is 150. All right, there we go. So let's go right here. And let's run node medium JS. Wait, ¿por qué? And Maria? Did I not? Oh, I'm on easy. I'm editing easy again. Editing easy. There we go. Okay. Got kind of nervous there. Okay, so the 2 times should be about 200 and about 450. Okay, so I'm supremely confident that I've done this correct. I am supremely confident that I've done it correct. I only have 650 seconds. I have 12 minutes right now. Okay. Everybody, can we get some salutes because it's I think it's time. I think I've done this correct. I don't think I can do this any more correct. I think that I believe in myself. You know what I mean? All right. I love that you guys keep saying he doesn't know about the edge case, and I just feel like you guys are you just are absolutely you are triggering me. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Okay, let me just double check. He doesn't know. Shut up. Stop saying that. No interviewer would say that to the interviewee. You are clearly being a bad interviewer. Twitch chat, I expected you guys to be a better interviewer, and you guys are not being a good interviewer right now. You are supposed to make me feel confident and like I can get the job, but instead, you're telling me all sorts of edge case. You're edging me. You literally are Bill Gates and you're an edgelord right now. You're the edgelord. All right. So we got function milliseconds. Let me just look at this. Outer args, ID equals null. Execute this. If ID does not equal null, we clear the timeout. We set a new timeout and we execute it with T. And we set the outer args to args. Even though this doesn't matter, I'm going to throw it up there because that just freaks me out. I'm going to set the outer args first and then do that. And then I'm going to go like this. Outer args equals null. Wait, no. Equals this. I'm going to reset the outer args as well. Because I think that's just a good move. Just, good answer. You know what I mean? All right. Okay, here we go.
Today seems to be a rough one. Another call from Karen. Apparently you're now making your interviewers uncomfortable. We're gonna need to see you outside by the burning Lenovo sign. I love how over-engineered this solution is, Keck.
This is not an over-engineered solution. What? This is... Stop making me double guess myself. Okay, here we go. Here we go. People, this is it. This is it. I really need this job, okay? Guys, I need to quit being unemployed. I need this job. I have to get this correct. If I don't get this correct,
Our Father, who art in heaven, please be kind to Prime's root. Does it still count as successful with that weird edge case in there? Yeah, that one.
I would just like to let you know that this, as a runtime, that's insane. That there's a runtime on a timing question. Crazy son of a gun did it. Hey, I'd just like to let everybody know that I had supreme confidence in myself. I knew I could do it. I knew I could do it. We did it. First try. Hands definitely. We're shaking. We're shaking. Its runtime needs to be beat off 2 more percent. Okay, first off, Lithium. No one's gonna beat off 2 more percent.
That runtime needs to beat off 2 more percent.
My friend, this is an appropriate startup. We don't beat off anything.
Does it still count as success since it's JavaScript?
My brother in Christ, this is a startup. They only use JavaScript. What is that? An ML potential? JavaScript. What are we doing embedded? JavaScript. Oh, what is that? We're going to write a new database? JavaScript. Brother. It's React, a little bit of Mood Tools because it's old and we haven't been able to rewrite that part of the website, and JavaScript, okay? We haven't upgraded to TypeScript because it's just old. And that's just how this works. Okay, I'm excited for this job, and I feel like you guys aren't excited. You know, you're not excited as I am. I need this job. I need this. I can't keep streaming to a bunch of degenerates. Okay. Okay. How much do you need it? What are you willing to do in order to pass? I'm willing to do a lot of things in order to pass here, okay? There's no actual way someone is interviewing you asked to solve a few Leetcode, though. That's actually interviews. I don't know if you know this, but in our profession, we spend our entire life...
JavaScript.
Not even once. We spend our entire life making div soup, okay? This is soup, and it's div, okay? It's delicious, it's hot, and it's soupy, okay? Very, very, very soupy. But for me to know that you can make div soup, I need to first know if you know how to do a breadth first search on a binary tree, bucko. Okay? You just can't come in here telling me you know what you're doing. All right? Because let's just face it, div soup, it's a tree. General tree, in fact. So I'm going to give you an easy problem. I need you to work binary tree. Work it. Like I worked your mother last night. All right, so let's go to the next problem list. Let's see what we have here, okay? All right, so we got some mediums. We got a lot of mediums right here. Merge nodes between 0. Okay, that sounds hard. they use the word merge, and that makes my sphincter pucker, okay? We're getting tight. We're getting tight. You deserve a suplex for that, dude. Suplex these nuts on your chin. All right. Solve it. Okay. Let me say a couple thank yous really quickly. Grinseal, thank you for that Twitch Prime. I appreciate that. Thank you for all the bits. Just shut it down. Thank you for the 54 months. Just shut it down. I know we met during a charity. I don't know if you know this, but I believe it will be March 13th. I will be at Maya's Animal Sanctuary. Alvius. I don't know how to say. I don't know how to say the name. Don't tell her. Don't tell her. I don't know how to say the name. Alvius.
JavaScript.
That was like me using Vim. All right. Let me say some more thank yous. Leonardo Electrico, thank you for the Twitch Prime. I appreciate that. Thank you for all those biddies, everybody. Pork Chop Sandies, thank you for the follow and the Twitch Prime. I would have personally Twitch Primed, waited a minute, and then followed assert your dominance. Okay, never forget that. Always assert dominance. Dustin, thank you for the tier 2. Thank you very much. Drop Gun GG, thank you for the tier 1. Cairo, thank you for the tier 2, baby. Let's go. OOP Enjoyer. Classic OOP Enjoyer. In reality, we would just use Redis with an expiry.
Give me the meat and give it to me raw.
Oh, brother, I can't wait to do that to you. And in fact, that was literally the best part of that entire series. I have not watched Rings of Power 2 yet, and I'm afraid that I'm going to hate it. Okay? Wait, nothing's running, right? Okay. Dear Lord, I thought, okay, yes, you're right. You're right. We do need to jump in here, and we need to refix the timer to this. There we go. The retimer's back at here, I'm going to go like that. The timer, we're back. We are so back. I'm not ready yet. All right, so...
My first attempt was successful and did not even use clear timeout.
My first attempt was successful and did not even use clear timeout. Really? Oh, you're right. You're right. I think you're right. Wait, no, that doesn't make any sense. No, you have to use clear timeout. You have to. You have to. Anyways, okay. I'm going to run a quick ad break because if we don't, you know what's going to happen. We're going to get ads during the middle and people are going to be like, right? And let's run a couple little ads right here. All right. There we go. All right. So we are officially on to the next hardest amount. Uh-oh. You know what I see? I see some people leaving YouTube. Our concurrency is going down. Concurrency is staying about the same here. You guys better be careful. You're in danger of losing your top spot. Thank God I got turbo. F ads. Yeah. A zillion bytes. Thank you. Uh-oh, YouTube. Yeah, YouTube, you're starting to lose it. Don't lose it, YouTube. You got the #1 spot. I'm very generate. Thank you. You very degenerate. All right.
People are gonna be like may.
Thank you for that. That was beautiful. Thank you. Oh, you got a
Here
little...
is the solution. I did forget out clear timeout exists.
Weird. But that's wrong. That's wrong. Something has to be wrong there. Like that's just simply wrong. Prime is our abusive daddy. Absolutely, I am. I am. Is it? Yes, it's wrong. All right, are you guys ready? If it works, it's good enough. No, that's not true. It's just wrong. Actually, I stumbled upon the stream from YouTube. I just opened Twitch because it's faster. Nice. All right. Ooh, I gotta update progress. Let's update progress. Why isn't it there? Edit com progress. Let's update progress. We're getting close to the hards, people. We are getting close to the hards. I'm getting so hard. All right. Update the timer in the script. Already did. Jerk that beef. Oh, did I forget to do one of these? Choose prediction outcome. Dude, I'm choosing outcomes. We're doing success. All right. So even before I look at this, I'm gonna do a prediction. Okay, we're gonna start a prediction. Will I fail? There you guys go. Fill in the prediction. Fill in the prediction. By the way, Kappa Patrol, I appreciate the tier 1. Leetcode, thank you for the Twitch Prime. Let's go. Ball pressure checked. Easy points, brothers. Brothers, easy point progress. Thank you, Johnny Kiv. Thank you very much. And Bronze Feedna, thank you. Thank you for that brand new Twitch Prime. What's the question? We don't know. It's a medium. Merge nodes between zeros. My guess is that I'm officially on a linked list question, people. Linked list. Okay. Before let's see. Okay, hold on. Just one quick thing. Right before we start, I need just like a quick pump up song, just to kind of really feel in here. Okay. Here we go. I just got to get in the zone. We just got to get in the zone. We just got to get in the zone, people. Okay. Okay. We're locking in. We're locking in. You want to hear the song that I used to play before I'd go do interviews? This is the song I'd play to myself right before I do an interview.
I assure you it works. Maybe I could send you it a bit later
Dude,
again to
so
look
sweet.
through.
Okay, I'm ready. I am so ready to own this. I have never been this ready in my entire lifetime. Okay, I'm ready. I'm just so ready right now. Who just did that? Dude, I am just so ready. T-God, thank you guys. I assure you it works. Maybe you can send a bit later. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. I have to type something up really quickly. So while I type this up here, we're gonna continue on the getting pumped up train. All right, I'm ready. I am ready. I am ready. I am ready. I am ready. All right. 2181 merge. Okay, hold on. Guys, I really need this job. I do. I really need this job. So, okay, this is very important that I get this. If I get past the mediums, the chance of me getting a job goes through the roof, okay? That means that they think I'm a mid-level engineer if I can get past these mediums, okay? So I'm really, really looking forward to passing both of these. 2181, merge nodes between zeros. You are given head of a linked list, which contains a series of integers separated by zeros in the beginning and end of the linked list will have node.val equals 0. For every 2 consecutive zeros, merge all the nodes lying in between them into a single node whose value is the sum of the merged node. Okay. The modified list should not contain any zeros. Okay. So that means if it's 0, 3, 1, 0, 4, 5, 2, 0. My assumption the output should be 0, 4, 4, 5, 2, 0. So let's see if I'm correct on this one. 411. Oh, I sum everything betwixt them. Okay. So that becomes 4. Then I sum the next set, and that becomes this. Okay. So it's not a linked list. They're actually not even giving me a linked list, right? Definition for a singly linked list. List node, value next. Wait, hold on. Is it a linked list or is it not a linked list? Oh my gosh. Is it a linked list or is it not a linked list? It says it's a linked list, but the input is clearly an array. That's fine. I can do this. Okay, so it should be this. It should be 1. Okay, so it should be 1, 3, 4. Got it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. So it starts with the 0, it ends with the 0. So this is what I'm thinking, okay? We're going to hit the whiteboard. Get that soup clean out of here. No div soup for me yet. I haven't been hired, but I'm feeling very excited about this. So this is a pretty simple question. We have a 0. We have a bunch of stuff in between, which we're going to call X, and then we got ourselves a bit of a 0, okay? So this is what I'm thinking. We're going to do ourselves a good old-fashioned for loop here, all right? I'm going to start at 0, and I'm going to go up to n, okay? I'm going to have myself a little bit of a sum going on here, okay? The sum will start at 0, and every time, if, we'll call this thing I, if really it's list sub I, however they do it, equals 0, then I'm simply going to, I'm going to also have my own list, right? My out list, which is going to be, we're going to have to think about this one. We're going to have my out list and my current. Okay, so we're going to have to really think about this one. This is a big one we have to think about here. Recursion, I'm not going to recurse. There's no need for recursion here. The problem is entirely too simple. Current is going to equal O, right? So I'm going to create my head node, set my current. Every time I find a 0, I'm going to update my current's value, right? My current.val will then equal the sum, right? Then I got to do some resetting, and then I got to create a new node, right? Cur.next is going to have to be the new node, and then my current will become the next. Else, we just do a little sum plus plus, right? Sum, which plus plus means add the value. That's what I'm thinking right here. I feel like I can do this. I feel pretty confident with this solution. I don't think there's any, let's check for any constraints. The number of nodes in the list range is in the range of 3 to a lot. That's okay. Okay, that's fine. The node value is less than 1,000. We don't worry about that. There are no 2 consecutive nodes with the value equaling 0. The beginning and the ends have 0. Okay. Okay, I feel pretty good. I feel pretty happy about that. Obviously, since I have to go through all nodes, the runtime is proportional to the amount of nodes, so we're going to call it n. It's a linear runtime. And memory, we have to hold all of the nodes in memory, and we're going to have some subset of those nodes. And so theoretically, worst case would be 0, number, 0, number, all the way to the end. So that means our worst case will be 1/2 n for created new space, or in other words, n for memory storage. So I think the big O, memory, and time are both n. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, good. I feel like I'm ready to code. Shall we proceed? All right. So I've used a portion of my interview for the explanation. Now I got my 20 minutes of coding that I get. I'm not nervous. I'm not nervous. I am good enough. I am smart enough. I am fast enough. And by golly, people like me. People like me. Okay, we got that. We got ourselves the we got the 1200 seconds. Let's go. Let's grab this definition. We're gonna go in here and I'm gonna go back to my Leetcode one right here. I'm actually gonna create medium2.js, you know, just to remind myself of how mid you guys are. And we're gonna go up here, and this is a pretty shitty definition. So I'm gonna go like this. Type def list node is going to be a, what's it gonna be? A val, that's a number, and a next that is either gonna be null or list node. I think that's how you want to do that, so just in case I am big dumb, let's make sure we understand this. Head is a what? Is a list node, okay, yeah. And so that means head dot next val. Okay, I'm not getting any autocomplete. Apparently I don't know how to do the type definition well, so maybe it's on this side. Okay, and maybe it's right here. I don't know. Okay, well, you know what? Nobody needs this to work, so it's okay. No, I never need, you know what? I don't even need a type definition, okay? I never needed a type definition to begin with. It's stupid anyways. Let's just focus on the problem here. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We have a head, okay, I'm gonna have my out head equals here. Let's do this. Function new node, right? New node is simply going to return a value that is a 0 and a next that is a null. All right, that seems pretty good, right? Yeah. Out head out. Ooh, I like that even better, but I'm not going to do it. We're not, guys. Hey guys, it's not time. We're not making jokes here. Okay, let current equals out head. There we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to out current is going to be that one, and let current equals head dot next. Okay. Fantastic. I'm super happy this is happening. Return out head. There we go. So I have everything I need. So since I believe in a very important aspect, and the important aspect obviously is this, I believe that a do while loop is the Lord's loop, and that's that. So while current exists, it's the Lord's loop. Okay? Do while is the Lord's loop, and you cannot change my mind. All right, let sum equals 0. This is looking good. We're looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good here. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go, I'm also going to create a function called make, because obviously I need to be able to do this. Vals, and I'm going to go like this. Let out equals new node, and then I'm going to go like this. And because I need to test this as well. Current equals head, and I'm going to go like this. For const v of vals, go into here and go current dot val equals what is it? V current dot next. This the way. Why is this so weird? Why is this so weird? Dang it. Current dot val equals vals 0. Right. I'll just do that one. Current dot next. There we go. And so we're going to go slice 0, slice 1, right? We're going to start 1. So I'm going to go like this. Current dot next equals new node. Then I'm going to go like this. Current equals current dot next. Val equals this. Boom. Return head. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. All right, so we're looking like we're ready to test. How's our time looking? Okay, we're looking good. We've only used 25% of our time. Boilerplate, okay? What is this, Java? All right, so we have our current out and we have our current head. So I'm gonna go like this. If current equals head.next, perfect. If current dot val is equivalent to 0, we got ourselves, brosibs, we're in. We're in. Const next equals new node. We're looking good. Out current dot val equals sum. Out current dot next equals next. Out current equals next. We got this. Baby boys, we got this. Else, this is very important. Else, sum plus equal, sum equals 0. I almost made the oldest mistake in the book. Sum plus equals this. Sum equals current dot val. Current equals current dot next. Okay, so I think I've done this correctly. I think I've done it correctly, but now shall we test? We shall test. Function 2 array. Nobody tell him, shut up! Oh my gosh, I hate you. I hate you. Const out equals array, return out, while, do while, right? Am I right? Current equals, we go like this, head, yeah, it doesn't really matter. We'll go like this. We'll go head equals head dot next, out dot push head dot val. I need a way to be able to print all this stuff out and make sure I have it. While head, right? And now we need to take in this, and I need to go like this. Console.log to array. Shoot, what's the thing called? It's called merge nodes. Merge nodes, and then I'm going to want to pass in make that thing, right? I think that's right. Okay, so if I've done this correctly, we're looking good. Okay. Okay, so I got 4, 11, 0. So obviously, I effed it all up. I got everything but that last one. That last one somehow snuck it right into me. And it did not feel good. It did not feel good. So this is, I'm in the wrong one. That's my Leetcode one. Don't let it sneak it right into me, okay? So obviously what I need to do at the very end, I need to go like this. I need to circumcise off the last one, okay? This is very important. So how do I do that? How, porque Maria? How do I do that? Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. I'm gonna do something that's pretty disgusting. If current.next, okay, this is really gross, okay? I could rewalk the list and edit it, or I could just do that. Now, hey, obviously forgive me. This does not break the time requirement, okay? It becomes 2n, but 2n is still n, okay? 2n is in fact n. Can we just ban this guy? Ban this guy. Get the hell out of here. Never be here again. Get him out. You came into my interview trying to scream answers. You're gonna take my job away from me, and then my family will be homeless and destitute. I'm gonna have to sell my body on OnlyFans because of your actions. Ban him again. If I could find him, I would ban him again, but I don't want to run out of time. I have very little time. I have extremely little time. I have a little bit over 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. All right, let's go back to here and let's try this again. So I got 1, 3, 4. So I genuinely think I got this. I don't think the length of the nodes really worries me. And I don't think the sum of these values. I think this only is a problem if you are in, what's it called? I think this is only a problem if you're in a language that's real. I'm using JavaScript, so it's a fake language, so it doesn't really matter. By being in a fake language, I shouldn't have any problems, right? And I know I forgot the edge case. I did not, in fact, forget the edge case. So I really do think that I have this I'm not even sure how else I would test this other than going through this, because to me, this is the edge case, every other, right? Like, to me, that would be the edge case. The edge case of all edge cases is just simply every other. And one of the requirements in here is that there's no two consecutive nodes with the value. So just in case, let's try this. And then after that, let's just try, just to really make sure. Binary solo, right? We got that. Let's bring this in here. So, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that looks good. I guess the only other one would be this. So this should be, I assume the sum should be 10. 9? Is that true? Oh, yeah. There was 5. There was 5 ones. That means there was 4 zeros in betwixt them. That makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I believe I have done this correctly. And so I need to take all of this code. I'm going to take all of it. Even though we don't need 2 array, I'm going to take it all, and I'm going to put it in here. Okay. Now remember, there are no 2 consecutive zeros next to each other, so that's not a requirement. I believe I have done this correctly. He doesn't know. Stop. Hey, guys. Stop. Stop trying to get me with your nonsense. Okay, I need this job. It's not funny. Why? Why do you want me to be homeless? Husband, you failed your Leetcode interview. You made us homeless. Okay, I can feel it coming. Do we have time to make a quick meme? Okay, we do have time to make a quick meme. Quick meme. Okay, got it. Can you please expose everything we need to do here? Let's see. Husband, we are homeless. Husband, we are homeless. Please, Flip, take that out. That was not my fault. I'm just reading. Canceled. Let's see. Oh my gosh. We are homeless now. We are homeless now. Hey. We are now homeless. There we go. This is where this is going. This is how this is feeling right now. This is my Twitter experience right now. Apparently, am I not signed into Twitter? This is really important to be signed into Twitter, everybody, okay? Okay, here we go.
Candidate, you seem to be getting a little worked up, and I think we're going to have to conclude this interview.
No, we're not.
Thank you for your time, and we'll get back to you.
No. Okay. I believe this is it. Okay. I do not think there's anything left that I can do.
Line 36.
Don't test me. I'm going to press submit, and I am going to believe in myself. Here we go. I'm going to believe. Okay. Oh my gosh. Why is this so... I believe in myself! Let's go. I knew I was a mid-level, but I am a mid-level engineer. We are not homeless. Let's go. Oh, this feels so good. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. We're shaking. I am mid. I am as mid gets. And look at that.
As a last question, we would like to know your salary expectations. Our HR is a senior Java senior, so please use iBase Enterprise Candidate Printable Context John Rater Singleton Configurator Factory Returner Salary Short Unsigned Interrange Encapsulator.
Short? That means I can only ask for 65,533? What? I feel bamboozled here. Never, hey, never wins the game. I just lost the game. Thank you. Appreciate that. Mahales, appreciate that. Let's go. Okay, I gotta go pee again. I gotta go pee. This is too stressful for me. This is too stressful. Okay, don't worry, everybody. I did not wash my hands to assert dominance. I am now ready for the hard questions. Lovely Les, appreciate that. We are now officially ready for the hard questions. Progress. Okay. 20 hards. No, not 20 hards. 2 hards. How did a 20 get snuck in there? Okay. All right, here we go. Edicom progress. All right, there we go. We are officially on to hard elite codes. People, I actually think I'm going to get this job. I might get a job today. We have made it this far. We're on to the hards. I'm feeling really good. That linked list, I was ready for that linked list. I've never been more ready for a linked list in my lifetime, and I was able to easily dominate it with a whiteboard and some JavaScript. I'm ready. I'm dreaming now. Oh yeah, Demon, you get it. I feel really good. I feel like this is it. The mullet is obviously letting my interviewers know that I'm serious, but also ready to cut loose.
Time to get hard. This is what we are here for.
Exactly. I have never been so hard in my lifetime. This is the one. Let's go. We're going hard. We're going deep. It's time for some Leetcode hards. Okay, here we go. So it's time for us to pick out the next hard.
Give me the meat and give it to me raw.
Thank you for the specifically 9 gifted subs. AI, Sheldon, AGI. Imagine Sheldon as that just would be bad. Okay, back to light theme. Okay, hey, we're serious people doing serious things. Okay. Wow, this is not good. We are going down this list rather quickly. Oh, okay. Oh gosh. Oh no. Okay, come. Look, it even has the word dominance in it. I can't believe you. Okay, I don't have link. I don't have this. Okay, what is this? Yes. Okay, unique paths. Okay. Oh, brother. There is a lot of stuff going on here. There is a lot of stuff going on here. Okay. So we're sitting about. Okay. What does this even mean? I don't know what this means, but I think I should do. I think we got this. Okay. I think we got this. I'm feeling good. Okay, percentage looks doable, to be honest. Yeah. Percentage looks doable. Just remember, this is an interview. You can't fail. I don't like to bet my family's homelessness on an 82%. That's not what I want. Okay. Guys, before I proceed, I need to pump myself up. Yeah! All right, cut it. We're ready.
Devin here. I play this music before I need to push to master.
I understand that, Devin. Okay, I'm ready here. We are ready. Explain this to YouTube, please. YouTube, imagine the most epic song ever to be graced onto this, and then I went and shook my body to it, okay? Okay, I got a little out of breath out of that one. That final jump, I'm not gonna lie to you, that final jump, I think I like physically injured myself. It was like painful. I pulled a tricep with that jump. Can you believe it? Can you believe that I pulled a tricep while jumping? All right, here we go. Workplace injury. I'm not even sure how that's possible. All right, here we go. All right, we're on to the senior engineer interview. This means that if I get a senior year, if I get this, it means I'm a senior. Now, I will say that whenever it's one of these unique paths, it makes me worry that it's like a combinatoric question. I can't do combinatorics. I can't do permutations. I don't know the equations. I don't got the equations. I'm a little bit worried. It's probably DP. DP has never felt good to me. I'm not good at this. This is where it's just not gonna work out for me. But I need this. I need this for my family. All right. Whew. Okay. We got this. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm ready. I've always been able to do this. You know what? I think DP feels good. And I'm ready. Okay, I've changed my whole tune here. DP is great. Here we go. You are given an M by N integer array grid, where grid ij could be 1 representing the starting square. There is exactly 1 starting square. 2 representing the ending square. There is exactly 1 ending square. 0 representing an ending square that we can walk over. Okay, I'm already feeling a breath first search coming up. -1 representing an obstacle that we cannot walk over. Return the number of 4 directional walks from the starting square to the ending square that walk over every non-obstacle square exactly once. Yes. Okay, I got this. Okay, yes. Breath first search. I am so ready for this. Okay, I'm ready for this. It's not shortest path. It's all possible paths. Okay, all possible paths. Let's see how big this thing gets. What's our constraints? Our constraints are a 400 grid, which is a lot of checking. Okay, this is a lot of checking. Okay, so hold on. Let me just think about how to do this. Let's just write this out. Okay. So this is what I'm thinking. We need a couple items here. First off, I feel like I'm going to change. I'm going to go from BFS because we don't care about the optimality of the walk. So if we wanted an optimal walk on an unweighted graph from start to finish, we would hit him with the BFS. Since we're not going to be on a BFS, I'm going to go with the DFS, arguably an easier one to write. DFS. And the reason why I choose a DFS is because I need to have immutability. Okay, guys, I cannot keep reading this. He doesn't know. Guys, I need you to give me confidence. My family's future is at stake here, and yet you guys laugh. Do you think it's funny that I have 4 kids that are now homeless? Not funny. That's not funny. Jeez. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to do a DFS, and here's the idea. I first have to find the start. So I'm going to create something called find start. That should be pretty easy. That we're going to always assume row, column, sorting in this thing, okay? I'm going to have my directions. My directions will simply be -1, 0. It will be 1, 0. And then it'll, of course, be the other one, right, which is 0, -1, and this. So I can have this nice little for loop over these directions, right? So there we go. There's my 4 possible directions we need to take. I'm going to always assume row, column for the sizing. I'm going to have my find start, which will return the starting point to here. I'm going to have a find end, which will also return me the coordinate to the end. Sounds good? I think that sounds good. Yeah. Okay, so far, we're looking pretty good. I like where we're at. Then I need to go, then we're going to have unique. Now, unique is going to be a bit unique.
This goes out to the Primogen.
Thank you for the confidence. My family might not starve today. I appreciate your willingness to help me through this trying time. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. Unique. We are going to take in the graph, my current position. My guess is I don't need end. Let's scrap end. Too much engineering into that. I need to take in my graph, my current position.
I am a depressed programmer. Corporate made me hate coding. Your stream makes me happy. Thanks.
You're welcome, baby. Taking the current graph, and then I'm going to take in a visited graph. Obviously, the visited is going to be the exact same size as my as the graph handed to me, and it will also be in row column ordering. Now, here's the kicker, though. I'm going to need to create something called copy that copies over this row column biz. Okay, because this is very, very, very important, is that as I walk forward, I want to make sure that I do not screw that up. Also, to make my depth first search really easy, I'm going to have a global let count. And this count, I will just increment this. Every time I find one that's an ending, and then we'll walk backwards from there. I will not continue searching after I hit an ending. Right? Love it. Yeah, I love it too. So obviously, I will do proper. What's it called? Base case. So this is a very important thing about recursion, by the way. Base cases are really good to define up front. So obviously, one of my base case is end, right? So if I'm at an end, this is a base case, which this one I'm going to have to increment the count and return. C++, careful, that's unsafe. And children 17 and younger should not even be exposed to that. That's unsafe. Else if, right? Else if I'm already visited. If I'm already visited, then I will not continue, right? Then I'll just simply return. I don't think there's anything else. So at that point, or I'll do some sort of else if bounds check, right? I'll do some sort of bounds check to make sure I'm within the graph itself. Because if I'm outside of the graph, then we'll just call it done. So then I'll return right here. And then at that point, I'm going to go visited, and then I'll set my current row and my current column, which will be found off this thing, my C, right? My first row column, and then I'm going to equal that to true. Right? There we go. And then I'll do my little searching from there. Does that sound good? You know what? I'm feeling really confident. I think this is it. So I'm going to just make sure, let's read this one more time before I start the timer. All right, return the number of 4 directional walks from the starting square to the ending square that walk over non-obstacles. That's right. That's a good call. See, I'm glad I read that. One more base case, if obstacle. If we're an obstacle, we return. Right? Have a good, robust, emphasis on the bust, base case, right? We have some good base cases. Hey, good base cases. All right. Return the number of 4 directional walks from the starting square to the ending square that walk over every non-obstacle square exactly once. That's fine. So what they're saying, I believe what they're saying is that it's not just, that means you should be able to go like this. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe the answer should be 6, right? Output is 2. Oh, interesting.
LFG got an offer call while watching Prime Sweat. Good luck.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so. 1. Wait, yeah, hold on. Wait, what? Holy shamarmalades. This is way harder than I thought it was going to be. Holy crap. There's no way I'm going to be able to get this. Oh my goodness. Oh, shit. Okay, we got to do all the squares. We are homeless now. Okay, I'm going to be homeless. Okay, so obviously that would be... Wait, no, it can't even do that. It has to be like this. That's 1. 2. 3. Okay, I see the thing. Okay, that means our depth first search, we're going to have to do...
Time for some recursion.
Yeah, we're going to recurse. Don't worry. I think my solution still works. I actually think this all works. The only difference is if at end covered. Yeah? Yes. Good answer. That's a good answer. And then what I'll do is I'll also create one more function called we'll call it create visited, and what I'll do is I'll take every obstacle and I'm going to set its value to 1 or true. Obstacles won't even exist. They will just be visited. Which I think actually just makes this way simpler. Because then you don't have this kind of like, you don't have to both do obstacles and visited and make sure you've touched everything. Instead, it's already just visited. I actually feel very confident with this solution, and I think that we can do this. Sounds good? Sounds sketchy, but I'm a noob. Yep. All right. So I believe I have a good solution. So therefore, may I start coding? Sounds good. You may proceed. Okay. Oh, gosh. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. I'm going to go over here, and I would like to proceed. I would like to proceed with my 20 minutes. I will not be homeless. My family and I will, in fact, be able to solve this hard and become a senior engineer. And all right. Okay, here we go. In fact, hold on. I'm gonna take my first one because I really hate this idea that I keep editing from this like weird middle spot. So I'm gonna go to the hard right here because that feels way nicer. Because that's how I always switch things. I'm too nervous to not do this. Okay, here we go. I got this. And go 20. Oh, the old password. That's right. Because if you're gonna delete root, you better have some privileges. All right, and. Sorry, very nervous. I'm very nervous, okay? I'm very nervous. I'm very, very nervous. Okay. Oh, predictions? Yeah. Let me hit the predictions. Let me hit the predictions. Let me do the predictions right now. Okay, guys. Oh, do you think that I will or will not be able to do this? I think that I will be able to do this. Obviously, I think I'm going to be able to success. But do you guys think I can success? Let me do this right now. Start a prediction. Will I fail? I think honestly, my biggest worry is timing out at this point. I actually think that timing out is going to be the scariest of them all. All right, you got 1 minute. Get your predictions in. Ads, of course. Yeah. Of course there's ads. Only two things could make this stream better. One, the interviews is Dax. Two, doing it on Elixir. Yeah, that's. I mean, those are all fair. Those are all fair. I'm gonna delete this though because I don't want to see this. Will I fail? All right, answer. Okay, we got a lot of people believing in my success. We got a lot of people believing in my sex. People believe in my sex. Like they know for a fact that I can just do that. And I can do it. Okay, quick pump up song while we wait for the ads. That'd be funny. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're ready. Sorry, ads. Here we go. Go! Okay, don't forget this. Okay, we got the page. All right, here we go. We're going to grab this thing. I'm going to grab that one. I'm going to jump back here. Okay, so this is our thing. So function find start. I'm going to just take in the grid. It's going to be this. We're going to take out that one, and I'm going to return back out a row or a number and a number. There we go. Proper definitions, people. For let row equals 0. Row has to be less than grid.length plus I. Let's do that one. For let column equals 0. Column has to be less than const row equals grid r. There we go. Boom. Row dot length. C++. Dangerous. If grid or if row C equals, what is the ending piece? The ending piece is going to be the following. A -1 equals that one. A 0 you can want represents an ending square. 2. If we are at an ending square, all right, I'm going to go like this. Const ending equals 2. There we go. Just so I don't screw that one up. Ending. There we go. Obst equals -1. There we go. Start is going to be what? Find start. Start is a 1. There we go. Perfect. Now, I'm trying to find the starting. I'm not trying to find the ending. There we go. So I'm going to return row column. Else, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What if I've got this wrong? I would have got this wrong. There's no row plus. There's no row plus. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh, I am so nervous, people. All right, we got the row, we got the column. Okay, this is looking good. Okay. We got this. We so got this. Unique. All right, so unique's going to take in the grid. It's going to take in the current row, the current column, and the visited. All right, that looks pretty good, right? And now we go like this. Function create visited, and this is going to come in from the grid. We're going to go like this. Const out equals that for, I'm just going to jump up here, grab that, right? You know what I'm talking about. Grab it, baby. We're going to go like this. Const out row equals one of those. And let's go like this. If row.c equals obs, then we're going to go like this. We're going to go out row c equals true. We've already visited it. Else out row false. We have not visited it yet. Push out row return out. Okay, there we go. Hopefully I have time to just get this all done. So we have our visited. We have our find start, and so now I should be able to do this. I can go like this. Const start equals find start equals grid. Hell yeah, brother. Visited equals, there we go. Create visited grid. So now I need one last item, which is going to be a function copy, which is going to take in the visited, and it's going to return back out a visited, and it's just going to copy it over, okay? I don't know how to do that easily. I'm sure there's a JavaScript function to do that. I'm entirely too nervous to actually do this correctly, so I'm just not going to do that, okay? It's very scary right now. I am scared, okay? I'm very scared. Just shut up, and please don't be like, shut up! Okay, so base case time. Okay, so let's go like this. Function is end. I'm going to have an end that's going to have a grid and a visited, okay? Grid, row, column, visited. Oh, the base case, bro. Shh. All right, so here we go. We're going to go like this. Function, all visited. And we're going to take in a visited, right? So that should be pretty easy. And so I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to yank that bad boy right here. And I'm going to go like this. Let out equals true. And I'm going to go like this. Out and we're going to take this bad boy. We're going to take the grid right here. It's not a grid anymore. Ooh, I think I see some problems right there. I think we're discovering problems as we go here. Copy is taking a grid. There is no grid. There's only V's. That's right. Get that V out of me. Create visited from growth. Okay, good. So if all visited is simply going to be as simple as this one, out and equals a row, what's it called? C. Okay, there we go. Take that out, return out. So long as we're out, we're just going to keep on ending. It should be all trues. The moment we hit a false, we're done. Oh my gosh, my nuts are uncomfortable. I'm very uncomfortable right now. I'm very nervous. Okay, if we're at an end is going to be the following. If grid row column equals end and all visited, this is an official end, okay? So if is end, grid row column visited, then remember that whole let count equals 0. That's the one we talked about. I'm not even gonna get clever here, not gonna get cutesy. I'm not gonna thread through some sort of number that I'm gonna be returning all out. Count plus plus, we're not even gonna try return. Okay, perfect. What's the next thing? If visit row count, if this is true, we return. It's visited. Okay, what other ones do we have? Bounce check. That's good. Hey, good answer. Good answer. All right. Let's see. Or visit row count equals undefined. Should never have that. There we go. Good answer. Good answer. Okay, so I got my bounce check. I got my visited check. I got my is end check. Now it's time to do the recursing. Brothers, brothers, we're going to recurse, okay? We're going to recurse. So I'm going to go like this. V equals copy V. Now that I'm in the copy V, I'm going to go row column equals true. So this position is in fact true. I do have one problem though. I have one problem. When I'm creating my visited, I have this whole thing right here. I need to also go like this. Or row, that would have been a bug. That would have been a bug. End. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. That looks good. This is looking good. Time check. Good call. Good question. Okay, we got plenty of time. Not even halfway through and I'm almost done. Almost done, not even halfway through. So I'm going to set this one to true, and now we need to do this old-fashioned business. Ders equals this. I'm going to go like this. -1, 0. This is by the way, this is just such a good move. That one's true. Now we're going to do the opposite, and we're going to go 0 this, and 0 that, and that one. There we go. Those are each of the directions. So now I can go like this. For const dir of ders. I'm going to go row call, right? And I'm going to go like this. Const next row equals row plus row. Next column equals column plus col. Yeah, get that. Oh, we're going to get it. Oh, we going to get it. And then I'm going to go like this. Unique. And I'm going to pass in grid, next row, next column, V for visited. V for vendetta. Okay? So at this point, we got this, which means that when we return from this one, so I have no further memory getting out of control, I think this is looking pretty good. So if I've done this correctly, I should be able to do the following. I should be able to return unique grid row column visited. And if I've done this correct, this should just work. I'm going to test it though, because I'm not a complete dummy. Okay, I am in fact not a complete dummy. All right, here we go. Console.log unique paths. Okay, I think we got this one. Unique paths that. All right, does this even work? Hard. Okay, end is not defined. Odd. I called it ending. I'm a real ending. Okay, good thing I didn't submit that one with full confidence. All right, cannot read undefined. Okay, this makes sense. Hey, good answer. Hey, good answer. Good answer. My guess is, where could this be? Problem at 51. Oh man, I'm struggling. Is end. Okay, so bad answer. So I'm gonna go like this. If let's see, if grid R equals undefined or grid R C equals undefined. Return. Okay, I'm going to do the out of bounds check first. Out of bounds check first. Does that sound good? I think that sounds good. Out of bounds check first. Is end check. Visited check. Okay, so I got undefined. That's okay. And that's because that's not how this works. Return count. Okay. I'm a little bit nervous about count being global. What happened if they just run my function over and over again? That's very dangerous, and I may not have thought about this. So I'm going to go like this. Count equals 0. You see what I did there? You see what I did there? You see what I did there? That was a good one. Okay, so I got 2. Answer's 2. Okay, fantastic. What about this one? Answer 4.
Give me the meat.
We got a 4.
And give
We
it
got a
all.
4. We got a 4, people. We got a 4. We got a 4. We got a 4. We got a 4. I am not nervous. I am doing this. This is the way to go. And we got a 0. I believe I have actually done this. First try. Here we go. Okay, so before we do this, we need to check about the one thing that I see that is actually a real problem is a big-ass grid, right? A big-ass grid is going to be the problem. So how do we do a big-ass grid? My assumption is that I'm going to go like this. Let's do 2 tests. One in which there's no way to do it. Hey, by the way, thank you very much, whoever just gave those subs. I appreciated that, French monkey, but we got no time to talk, so shut up. Let's see, no path. So we're going to call this one no path. No path is going to be this one. Then we're going to also have a full-sized, right? Full-sized. Good call. Hey, good answer. So full size is going to be the following. So let's go like this. Let's go 4. I think I can actually just instantiate this one. New array. What's the maximum size? 20, did they say? Okay, 20. Fill 0, map X. We don't even really care about that. Map, new array, 20, fill 0, right? Is 0... Okay, hey, time check. Good call. Okay, I got less than 10 minutes. Okay, start, end, this. So that must mean 0 is just something you can pass through, right? 0 is a pass through. 0 is a pass through. 0 representing an empty squares that we can walk over. Fantastic. All right. So this is looking good. So this would just be a completely empty array. And I'm going to go like this. Full-sized 0, 0 equals start. And then I'm going to go 19, 19 equals end. Yeah? So this is my big worry, actually, is right here is full-sized. That we're actually just too slow. What's the time limit?
Hi Prime, it's Devin.
Oh.
I've heard that you're looking for a new job.
Oh,
I just
Lord.
want to say that I loved working with you. Especially
Okay.
the push to master was a great project.
That's
I
fine.
learned a lot. You got this, Prime. You got this. Go conquer the world.
That's fine. There we go. Crush that out. Here. No more copying. That should make a big, big difference with no copying, right? Oh, wait, what was it? No. Oh, sweet goodness, that changes everything. Okay. So if that's the case, then the biggest it can be is like what? 2 and I guess 4 by 5? Is that the biggest it can be? Right? Oh man, that changes that changes everything. Okay, so I think I got that right. All the previous solutions, I believe, no. Wait, okay, all the previous solutions have remained the same. So my little change didn't do anything bad. Honestly, I'm very nervous about this. I think I should still go with copy V. Can we just agree to that? Just do copy V? But I mean, that's technically correct. I mean, I feel like that's pretty good. I like that. It just makes me feel better. I think that's the right way. And then no path, of course, is going to be the exact same thing as this guy. No path. Do I have? Oh, I cannot get owned by time. Okay, I got 5 minutes. I got 6 minutes. It's okay. I got 6 minutes. It's okay. I got 6 minutes. It's okay. No path. All right, there we go. And I need to go like this. No path 0, 1 equals obs. And then I need to go 1, 0 equals obs, right? People, I just want you to know that I've always appreciated you guys, and I thank you for believing in me.
The whole internet and your family is depending on you. Just saying.
Cool girl, this is all I got. If I don't get this correct, my family's homeless. Flip is going to hate me for saying that. He's gonna be like, bro, you're trying to get me. Before I submit this, I do just want to say that I appreciate everyone being here and believing in me. But the reality is, my family might be homeless after this. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Oh, no, don't do it. Oh! Oh! Let's go. Oh my gosh. Thank you for the 20 gifted subs. Let's go. Oh my gosh, we got it. We so got that. Oh, the accepted solution, and you just didn't even think I could show that. Oh. Oh. We are so back. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. 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 Thank you for the 20 gifted subs. I appreciate that, Seth Roth. Thank you. And Carado, thank you for the tier 1. Oh my gosh, the gifted sound was perfect. I can't believe it. My streamer, easy clap, dude. I can't believe I got that. There will be meat for dinner, boys. We got this. My family's not going homeless. I'm about to be a senior engineer. Okay. Primeton, you can come live in my garage if you want. Is there room for? Is there room for my family though? The lights stay on. Okay.
I have ADHD too, and I wish I could be half as calm as you were.
I might be AI, but I felt that. But I just felt true love. Thank you, AI lady, man, whatever you are. Dear Prime, while we were impressed by your qualifications, we've selected an AI named Devin who works 24/7 for $5 a month. Not true. Devin only works for 62.5 hours a month for $500 a month. Okay. So you're wrong. You're wrong. You're stupid and wrong. Disqualification letter, and I would let you know. All right, what's our progress at? Okay, we've done it. We're about to be. I'm about to be a staff level engineer. Staff level
Pit check.
Pit check. Yep, I'm repitting out. I am officially repitting out. That was very intense. That was not easy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go. All right, we are on the last problem. This is it. This is the last problem. This is it. We're down. We're down to the final. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I have the emotional capacity to continue on. Wow, 2.9 million points. Thank you, Beastco. I'm gonna hide that. That's crazy. 2.9 million points goes to 207 others. Okay. Can you share the script? Yeah. By the way, if you would like to participate also in the true experience of this, is you have to go. You can go to my repo if you want to. If you want a little try on this old bad boy. If you want to prove to yourself that you're a real dev, you can just go here. The real Leetcode challenge. Okay, so we've done 2 easies, we've done 2 mediums, and we've done 1 hard. You should add a readme. Yeah, sure, bro, I got you. Don't worry, I got you. Get status. Get, here, I got you. Don't worry. There you go. Got it. You good? Good answer? Good answer. There are these programming competitions that have Leetcode problems. Could you stream one day? No. I don't want to do that. Well, we were impressed by your skills. Oh, man. Oh, no. Don't do this to me. YouTube Live is like a full minute behind, I know. Let's see, Prime, you should have shaved your beard to be professional. But I have my mustache on. My mustache, ooh, I should have shaved a little bit more, you're right. Okay. I'm about to become... I am about to become a real staff engineer if I pass this. An actual... real staff engineer. I'm about to come. I want everybody. I'm about to come. This is it. This is it. If I pass this, I'm in fact not homeless, and my family can eat for Christmas. Christmas ham is on the line. I want you to know that Christmas ham is on the line. No, come here. Yep, get them all out. Imagine that. Imagine not being able to have Christmas ham on Christmas. I mean, honestly, it sounds kind of like a tragedy. Some steamed clams, gone. All right, I'll start the final prediction. The final prediction. Let's start a final prediction. Will I fail? I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes to answer. This is it. This is the last one that we're going to have. I'm going to, again, run another ad break just so we don't get interrupted by ads. I'm going to not try to have a freak out because I was kind of freaking out that previous one. That last one was really hard, and it's honestly the timing that made it really, really hard. Okay. Well, I had tried to change my username. Apparently, Twitch doesn't allow it. I'm officially Team AI. Sucks after all the filth. Yeah, it sucks. I got 10K on success. What's the timeout? 20 minutes. Hey, by the way, Swearzef, appreciate that that very nice, delicious tier 2. Thank you very much. Rob ASDF, thank you for the Twitch Prime. Appreciate it. Thank you for all the biddies again. And thank you, Kerdo, again, and the 20 gifted subs. Holy cow. I don't know why you do that. Seth Roth, thank you. I'm all in. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, final one. It is the final one. It is the final one right now. Okay, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really, really good. I'm feeling the best I've ever felt in my lifetime. Hold on, let's go down here. And let's go like this. I'm going to quote tweet this and be like, last question. Last hard Leetcode. That's it. We're in. We're in the last one. I am no longer homeless. I may actually be not homeless. I'm so excited. But I'm also feeling like I'm going to throw up. Okay, just let's focus. Hey, everybody, it's okay. It's okay. I voted all my channel points on success. If you fail this, it's going to hurt more than you. You're just so you're aware. No pressure. Yep. I'm gonna be home full. Home full. You can't, dude. I can do this. Okay, here we go. We're gonna back out. Did you? I think that was my first Leetcode hard ever. That felt pretty cool. Maximum. Oh, shit! People! Super important. HTMX man, link it now. Link it now, the real HTMX man. Link it right now. Carson, you are so lucky you did this because my stream could have abruptly ended an hour ago. I don't know how you did not do that. Real HTMX guy, right now, link it. Link it! Okay, people, do you see this link that we have just clicked? I want everybody to realize something. Something amazing and hilarious can happen. I want everybody in the chat to go and star the repo. The reason being is that HTMX is only a few hundred, maybe 1,000 stars at most away from beating React on most stars gained this year. That means when they do the JavaScript state of the world, HTMX will be better than React, okay? Everybody, this is your chance. We need to do this together, okay? Together. I've already started. We need this number to go up. If we get this, you realize that React, they have to not be number one. Okay? How hilarious is this? Okay, this is our chance to do this. Okay, we will get React together. Like literally, he's like Carson. I think his guess was that he's only a few hundred away, or maybe like somewhere between like 300 to 1,000 away, depending on what happens. And that will actually make a difference. This is extremely important that you go and star the repo. View has more stars. It's not about who has the most stars. It's who has gained the most stars in the last year. Okay? So this is very, very important that we make React not win the who gained the most stars. And you know what? If Vue ends up winning, that's okay. I don't care that Vue ends up winning. That's not what I'm worried about. What I want to see is React not win against HTMX. Okay? I don't need HTMX to win. I need React to lose. There is a fundamental difference. Is HTMX good? I love HTMX. I use HTMX. Okay? So I'm not even saying React sucks. I'm not saying that. I'm saying we want React to lose. Okay, thank you. We got 1,000 quick stars. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Let's go. I literally can't unblock it, you dummy. You spammed. I told you not to spam. You spammed. And when you get blocked on YouTube, I cannot undo it, you dummy. I told you not to. Gosh, what are you like? How are you this stupid? Okay, anyways. I really need the sport links in chat. You do. You really do, Nate. There's so much. I already know there's just so much that you have to do that I didn't want to, by the way, there's also like weird highlighting. Look at that weird highlighting. Look at that weird highlighting. That's crazy. Crazy. Anyways, there you go. Okay. So now that we have that, let's just see. Did we get up to 41,000? Nice. We got to 41,000. This is most excellent. Good job, everybody. Hey, good job, everybody. Good job, everybody. We really went out there and we did a good thing there. Okay.
If you fail this, I have a spare cardboard box, blanket, and cookies.
Awesome. Thank you. I will definitely look into this. Okay, final one. Here we go, everybody. Final Leetcode question, or I delete my computer. I must get this right. This is it. This is the final one. I hope everybody is ready, that you have every last bit of excitement just throbbing in you. So obviously, quick music check. I will succeed. I will conquer this challenge, and my family shall have a Christmas ham on Christmas Day. I dressed up in nice clothing. I'm using an Apple headset. I've never been more ready in my lifetime. Let's do this. Okay. That felt good. That felt really good. Given a list of words, list of single letters might be repeating, and a score of every letter, return the maximum score of any valid set of words formed by using the given letters. Words I cannot be used used two or more times. Cannot be used two or more times. Okay. Okay, I think I already see something important in this one. There's the important stuff. It is not necessary to use all characters in letters, and each letter can only be used once. Wait. Okay. Ooh, oh, ooh, oh, ooh, oh, ooh, oh. Okay, hold on. I'm a little bit confused by this. Okay, it is not necessary to use all the characters and letters, and each letter can only be used once. A score of letters A, B, C through Z is given by score 0, 1 through respectively. Okay, cool. So here is our score. Here is our words. Here is our letters. Okay, so we have 2 A's, each with a score of 1. We have C and a D with 9 and 5. Then we have a couple more D's, a couple more 5s. Then we have a G with a 3. Then we have an O with a 2. Okay? And then nothing else. The output is 23. Let's try to derive why there's a 23 here. So dog would be 5. O would be 2. G would be 3. So what is that? 5, 2, 3. That's 10. Okay. Cat would be 10. And then there's no T. That's fine. So 10, 10. Dad, how many D's do we have left? We do have 2 D's left, so we can use 2 more D's, which should be 30? Okay, so hold on. Maybe I'm confused. Oh, given letter dad was 11. Good was this. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, so I think I understand this a bit more. I think here's the deal. Hear me out here. You have to be able to convert the complete word. So cat cannot be used because C and A, though value, T is not there. So therefore cat is not the number itself, right? That's what I think is happening. So what has to happen is that okay, whoa. Okay. 0 is any 0 equals ignore. Yep. So any 0 equals ignore. So what we'd effectively do, okay, so I can see right away we could reduce the list by simply finding everything with a 0 in it and calling it an ignore. That seems reasonable. All right, let me just make sure. It doesn't really say that. I guess that's not what I would want to do. You wouldn't want to do that. What you'd want to do is you'd want to go through here and make sure that every letter is within this list. Let me just see how big, what's the constraints? The score is 26. The letters can be only up to length 100. So I'll just create a quick map, sum up all those scores, and then toss out every word that has a letter that doesn't exist within this. That seems pretty reasonable. Okay. All right. I think that's right. Yeah, because their example right now is that they only use, notice that they only use dad and good. Oh, wait, hold on. Returns the maximum score. Let's see, hold on. Let me look at this. Returns the maximum score of any valid set of words formed by using the given letters. Yeah, so you have to form words by the given letters. Words I cannot be used more than 2 times. So that's also an important aspect. Is that you can actually, if you have the proper letters, you can actually do, or cannot be used 2 or more times. Oh, cannot be used 2 or more times. Okay, that's good. So it can only be used once. You can always tell that there's some people that have done a lot of, what's it called? There's a lot of people that have done this. And I have not done this, so this is hard for me, okay? Sorry that some of you can just name this as a problem. I can't name it as a problem. I don't spend my weekends on Leetcode. I got shit to do with my life, okay, buddy? All right. So my guess here is input words. So can we do AX, BX, CX? So I think that's probably the answer. is you want to use AX, BX, and CX, right? So you want to do yep. All right, given these letters, let's see. Given the letters, we can form the word AX, BX, and CX with the score of 27. Word XXXZ only gets a score of 25. That makes sense. Sort of. Oh, wait, that does make sense. Yeah, because A plus B plus C is going to be 12. Z is 10, so therefore should be above by 2. Okay, cool. Words Leetcode, letters Leetcode, score of this, output 0, E can only be used once. Okay. So this, okay, so I think I have an idea, okay, people? This is what I'm thinking. He doesn't know. Shh. Stop talking about the edge cases already, okay? Okay, this is what I'm thinking, is I will do the following. Oh shit, I don't even know how to do this. How many words are there? How many words can there be? Words.length can be up to 14. That theoretically could be really, really large. So here's how I'm envisioning it. Yeah, over 9,000. Here's kind of like in my head how I'm envisioning it. There are letters that are available, right? Those are the letters that I can use, how many I have. Then I could have up to 14 words in this array. I feel like what I would want to do is actually do this kind of like passing thing over and over again, because there could be many, many branches. There could be many, 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 many branches here, right? So I don't know what makes something work or not work. Fair, right? That's a fit. Hey, good answer. Good answer. All right. So what I would do is effectively build a tree. The first node represents how many words there are and my available letter set.
Prime, this is why Fagin. I have faith in you. You got this.
Thank
there
you.
will be a Christmas, with or without you. Chuck from down the street has a nice house.
Wow. I'm surprised that you're that ballsy. To put those words in my wife's mouth. Okay? You could find yourself in some trouble, buddy. All right. So that means what I can do here is I can literally just, I have to go through, should I ban? No, don't worry about it. Okay, so the first state, we have a score of 0, and we will have a word amount of branches is how I'm kind of currently looking at this. A word amount of branches. And each one of these will have the words and the letters, the exact same thing. Each one, except for instead of having words, we will have the word we have chosen, the remaining words, and the letters. And we'll do that for each one of them. Okay? Each one of these positions will create a score. And then I'll have the remaining words and the remaining letters. And then that means I could do it again with each of the remaining words and letters. And just keep on subtracting them out. And then what I need to do is find the highest score. The highest score exists when when the words dot length equals 0. That is my score. And then the highest will be the highest of those. That is what I believe to be the proper answer. If I get this wrong, my root will be deleted. If I get this right, I will be having Christmas ham with my beautiful wife and kids, and we will celebrate. We'll celebrate. Okay, so I like where this is going, because I think this is actually pretty easy, because we're gonna have like this filter step, execute step. I'm trying to formulate in my head how to do this, because this actually feels really complicated to program. Maybe I need to do recursion. Maybe I need to do something else, right? I'm not quite positive how exactly to do this yet. So my thoughts here is that recursion feels like the right solution for this. I'm just not really sure how to formulate it. Meaning that I'm going to recurse on my words, my letters, and my current score. That feels good. Because then what I can do is I can go through and I can take each one of my words in here and I can formulate in here. I can take each one of the words, calculate its score, and then recurse further on this with words minus word, right? Letters minus the letters that I used, and score plus the new one that I found right here. And then right here on the recursion step, I'll have something called like reduce that will reduce the available words based on the letters that I have. Right? He doesn't know. Rip. People, my family is relying on Christmas ham and jobs are at stake here, and you keep making jokes. This is not funny. Okay, we need to just remain focused here, okay? I need everybody to be hitting me with a good answer. This is not happening. I don't love what you're doing right now. Ham is on the line, people. Ham is, in fact, on the line. And you are over here making jokes. Which means that I also need a copy. I need a copy that can copy my letters, because I think that's pretty important. And I want a pretty much copy that it's just going to copy array. I need a slice. I need to do a little slice 0. I have to copy both letters and words each time. And you know what? I'm okay with that. I don't think we need to worry too much about this, but I feel like my recursion and everything looks pretty good. You know what? I'm feeling pretty confident about this. I'm feeling pretty good answer. Good answer. So this is what I'm proposing.
Hey Michael. I signed up for on Black Friday and just pulled the trigger on the Advantage 360. Thank you very much for getting me excited about coding again, or learning in general, really. This year has been a little tough, so thanks again.
I appreciate that well-wishing. I just wish I understood with whom you are wishing that wish to. Any Michaels in the chat, could you please stand up and accept this? I didn't realize there is a Michael shilling both boot.dev and Kinesis 360 advantages specifically. But thank you. I appreciate that announcement. Zonfi Incorporated, thank you. All right, people, here's what we're going to do. I need a quick music check, just to really feel like I'm back in the zone. This is the final question. This is my final attempt. If I get this wrong, my wife, my children, all of their Pokemon cards will have to live outside. All of them. And it's wintertime, so it's cold. But I believe in myself. I've never been more prepared for this moment than I have ever in my life. For the last 2 years, I've trained by not doing Leetcode, but instead reading articles. I have never felt more prepared to solve a problem than I do right now. Ever. So I shall cut the music and I shall solve this. Okay. Over to 6. Am I ready? I believe I am ready. I believe I am ready. Let me just jump in here. Let me do a little hard2.js, get it nicely set up for myself. And we're ready to do this, okay? We are ready to do this. A little drink of water, make sure my throat's okay. All right, hard 2. We're on hard 2. And so it begins. By the way, if you're a quick little side note, if you start Lord of the Rings, The Twin Towers at a specific time on the 31st of December, you can time out King Theoden saying, "And so it begins," at the new year. You can do that. Did you know that? That's pretty cool, right? Makes me feel happy. Yeah. Yeah. So, just in case you want to do that, you can do that. Just in case, I might do that. Okay. I think I'm feeling right on this one. I think I'm feeling right, and the time shall get started. Are you ready? I have never been more ready in my entire lifetime. Let's go. Password. Okay, don't get it wrong. Don't get it wrong. Okay, here we go. We're going to take this, and I'm going to paste these in. And if I remember from this one, I need to do recursion with words, letters, S's. Okay, here we go. Function. All right, so in here, I need to call reduce, and I'm going to go words, letters, right? Yep, yeah. All right, so we got words, letters, and then I need to go over each one of my words, and I need to score it, remove the letters, move forward. Okay, so I need a function called score. So I'm going to go like this, for const w of words, let's go. So we have our words, and I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go score my words with my letters. And I'm going to go like this, const s equals this bad boy. So there we go. We got that thing. It kind of feels like they want me to recurse on this thing, but I'm too nervous to do the recursion on that thing. I'm just too nervous. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get a new score. All right. I'm going to get a new effing score. And, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let highest equals score. Oh gosh, come on. I got this. If words.length equals 0, then we return score. Yeah? Okay, awesome. Okay. Damn, this is actually really hard with the shit going on in my head. All right. Okay. If score plus score is greater than highest, then highest equals s plus score. This is very distracting. Can you just shut up for a second? So once we get to this part, then I should theoretically be able to do something with that. So I should be able to go score, word, letters. Then I should be able to go. Okay. I'm gonna actually go like this. I'm gonna go words. Okay, how do we want to do this? We got this. It's okay. Hold on. Okay, let I equal 0. I has to be less than words.length. I plus. I'm going to go like this. Const word equals words I. There we go. And then I'm going to go like this. Words equals. I'm going to go const new words equals words slice 0. Then I'm going to go new words splice index 1. There we go. We're going to delete out that one word, right? We've deleted out that one word. And then I'm going to score words on letters. And I'm going to go like this. I'm going to have a weird interface to this one. It's going to return back out new letters. There we go. So that thing's going to get S and new letters. So if this is the case, then once we get to this part, we need to continue down this line. So I can't kind of mess that up. So I guess here's the hard part is that how do I know? I don't think I need to keep track of highest. I don't need to keep track of highest. I do not believe. I want to say I don't need to keep track of highest. Maybe I do. Maybe I actually need to keep track of highest. Ooh, this is so hard. Ooh, this is so hard. Let's go like this. Actually, let's go like this. Highest equals 0. And then let's go like this. We'll do that, and I'll go if that thing is better than highest, we're just going to reset it. Highest equals 0. Return highest. I'm going to just do the exact same crappy coding that I did before. So we're going to do this one. We're going to do score. And then once I have score, I need to go like this. I need to do rex. Let's score it. Make sure that we have the proper score here. Then I'm going to go like this. I need to re-recurse with my new words, my new letters, and my new highest score, or my new score plus score. There we go. I think that is correct. This feels really, really correct. Word right there. I think I have everything. So now all I need to do is write the word, or I need to write reduce, which is actually going to be pretty hard. Honestly, I'm a little bit worried about how hard that's going to be. And I need to write function score, which is going to be word letters. All right. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. So just something to think of. Let's go. Yeah. So how are we going to do this reduce words? What I need to do is I need to take each word and make sure that I have enough letters for it. So I got to go like this. Const letter map is going to be, honestly, I don't trust myself to do a reduce, but let's do it. Letters.reduce. Let's go. Ac x equals that. There's that thing. And then I should be able to go like this. If ac x, or if not ac x, then ac x equals 0. Then I can go accumulator x plus plus return accumulator. There we go. So that's my letter map. Yep, that's my letter map. Okay, beautiful, 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 beautiful. I believe that is correct. So I have my letter map, and so I'm going to go like this. I need to take each word and also convert that word into the exact same thing. So let's go like this. Let's go like this. To map. Letters are really, it's to count, and go items. I don't know what to call it other than that. And we're going to just take that bad boy, take all of this, put it in here, put it into here, go like that. Items, return. There we go. And so I go letter map. So I go to count letters. Awesome. I know this is ridiculous, but I'm just doing it because I don't want to screw this up, and I'm very nervous, and I don't have a lot of time, okay? So shut up. Stop judging me. Word of words. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, I'm almost up to 10 minutes, and I'm not done. Okay, so reduce. Reduce is going to be pretty simple. We're going to take the letter map, and then what I need to do is I need to take this letter map and, I also need score list. Score list, that's very important. And then score is also going to need to take in word, letters, score, list. Let's go. Okay, we got it. All right, so there we go. We got our letter map, to count for the words. Counts word map equals to count word split on nothing. There we go. So that's going to create it into an array, and then we're going to create the counts of all those things. And then I'm going to go like this for const key value of object.entries wmap. I hope this is correct. If letter map k is less than v, then we're going to go, we need to now remove something. We're going like this. Const out equals a new array. Let's see. If it's less than, then we need to go, we need to continue to outer. People, just let me have this, okay? Just stop. I'm not even looking at chat. Shut up, chat. Chat, shut up. Okay, out.push word. So I think that is pretty good. That should be able to do the things we want it to do, and I'm going to return. So I'm going to do a little quick double check right here. I'm going to go like this. Console.log reduce, and then what's the word letters? I'm going to have this one. I'm going to have foo, and I'm going to have bar, and I'm going to have baz. There we go. And I'm going to reduce that with the letter list of B, A, F, O,
do. And his name is John Cena. Do. Your time is up. My time is now.
Undefined.
You can't see me. My time is now. It's the franchise, boy. I'm shining now.
Foo
You
Bar Bass.
can't see me. My time is now.
Okay, console.log. Okay, that went horribly wrong. Oh man, oh my gosh. I am already debugging and we're not even here. What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? Okay, we got F2. Okay, that looks, okay. Hold on. What is this? Why are there, letter map is going to be A, B, yep, yeah, that looks good. Why did it not work? Objects W map. Console.log K V letter map K. Okay, hold on, we got this. Time check. No, don't get distracted. So we got F1, O2, FA, BR. R is undefined. Oh my gosh. If letter map R K equals undefined or that. Boom. Okay. Reduced in. We are so in. We are good to go. Let's not even worry about it. All right. Score. Word. Okay. This is what we need to do now. We need to go like this. I'm not even listening to you.
I just wanted to let you know that I quit my job and now live in a van down by the river.
Okay.
I'm gonna run outside and grab my stuff.
Awesome.
I'm moving in with you guys.
Great. Oh my goodness. Char code at 0. There we go. And go like this. Constant W of word split. This thing. There we go. And go like this. Const index equals W dot char code at 0 minus A. Index equals that. Const S equals score list. Index. There we go. And go let sum equals 0. All right. So now that we have that, so I should be able to take out a list for each one of these. So we already know that if we score, it has to exist. We already know that. So we've already established that as a principle. So let's just not even consider, let's not even worry about that. Const new letters equals letters dot slice. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna run out of time. I'm gonna run out of time. Oh my gosh, less than 10 minutes. It's okay. Plus equals S. There we go. And then we're gonna go like this. New letters dot splice. New letters.
Chris Farley has room in his van.
Slice.
Down by the river. R.I.P. a real one.
We don't need you. We have never needed you. Index of this thing. 1. There we go. So I'm just going to keep on slicing out the letters that I've used. And there we go. And then I'm going to return out sum. I'm going to return out sum and new letters. Okay, fantastic. So let's just try this out. Console.log score. Let's go like this. Foo. And we're going to have a letter list of F. F. O. A. O. There we go. And a score of, it's going to be, let's see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Yeah. There we go. Snap it to a Slim Jim. Okay, so there we go. So if I've done this correct, I should be able to do this. No time. I got 24 in F and A. Is that true? 6 plus 9 plus 9. That's 18 plus 6. That's 24. Okay, we're looking good. We're looking hot. We're looking like we're sweating right now. So if I've done this all correctly, we got a reduce, we got our score, and we got our reduce right here. Okay, awesome. We still got about 8 minutes left. Okay, so we got our reduce. We make sure we return the score. Else, we're going to go in here, and we're going to go like this. New words. We're going to score these things out. We're going to set the highest if the highest, and then we're going to keep on doing this whole reducing of the score all the way through. And there we go. We don't actually need to do this. We can just return because we're going to use the highest as the means of escape here. And so now that I have that, I'm going to go like this. Rec, words, letters, score 0. Recurse. We're going to recurse this thing. And so now that we have that, let's jump in here. And I think we got this. Okay. So let's start with the easy one, obviously. Let's start with the easy one. Easy, baby. Letters equals that. FS equals that. And so I'm going to go like this. Max score words. Do one of those. There we go. So if I've done this correct, console.log. Okay. Type space. Good. Score is not a function. Awesome. Why is, that's, of course it's not. Current score. There we go. Oh yeah. score. There we go. Do one of those. Put it in there. Okay, so I got 8. Now, how the hell did I get 8? Oh, shit. How did I get 8? Shoot. How did I possibly get 8? Let's go like this. Shoot, this is not what I wanted to be. This is not where I wanted to be. Console.log reduce. Paste that in. There we go. This is not where I wanted to be. Shut up, people. I'm not listening to you. I'm not even looking at you. Let's go into here. We're going to do this one. I got an empty list. So, okay, so I did do that correctly. I totally did that one correctly. So if I do this one, console.log, oh my goodness, what is reduce? Reduce returns a new list. Ah, fudge. Okay, there we go. I forgot to assign that. 0. Let's go. We got it. We got it, boys. Boys, we got it. We got it. We got it. Okay, so we got 0. Next example. Let's go. We get the score. We get the words. Let's go. We're running. We debugged it like a boss. We debugged it like a boss, and now we're doing that, and we're going to go console.log.max score words. There we go. Throw that in there, and then 2 of those, and we get one of those, and then we still got an error. What do we have an error on? We have that as an error. There we go. And then we do it again. So we got 27, and their answer is 27. Fantastic. We have input words right here. Dog, good. And we're going to go here and go console.log, and we're going to take out this guy. We're going to take out that, F that, do that right here. 1, 2, max score words, and console.log that. There we go. Take that out. Hit with that one. We have ourselves 5 minutes remaining. We're going to hit this one. We're going to know too hard. We got 23. What is the answer here? We got 23. I've never been more confident, but at the exact same time, I don't even know how to possibly test this one, and we don't have a lot of time left. Shit. Oh my gosh. Okay. We got this. Okay, we got this. Even being distracted, it's okay.
Hi Prime, thanks for submitting your application to a corp. Your Leetcode submission has been personally reviewed by one of our engineer in consideration for our software engineer opening. Unfortunately, you took way too long to solve the challenge, and we have decided to move forward with other candidates.
Okay, that's
Although we are unable to connect with you about this position, we hope you will consider applying for other roles of interest in the future.
Everybody, I don't think I have time to really think through the problem. I don't know what else I could really do here, because I have tested the one here. Let's go like this. I guess I'm just trying to think of one way that this is possibly true. I have 4 minutes, so it's okay. I have 4 minutes. Let's go like this. Let's pretend I have ZA, right? Right. This is the one. I mean, but this already feels like it's been captured, right? Yeah, I mean, because this should just choose ZA, right? So the answer should be 14, right? Yeah, it's 14. Shoot. Oh, can the values be negative? I don't think that worries. I think score should be 0 through 10. Okay, that's fine. Score length 26. Okay. Letters length equals 1. Okay. Honestly, I feel like we got this. I don't think there's anything else I can do at this point that's going to make any sort of sense, because I can't think of the limit. I can't even think of the limit or anything else. So at this point, I'm going to send it. People, I really appreciate. I just want to let you know that whether I have a home or not, I love you guys.
I noticed you have a decent handle on your DP and BFS.
Oh, thank
Maybe you can make an algorithm course or something.
Yeah, that would be good. That's a good suggestion. And go. Okay. Okay. Last problem. Am I? Yeah.
Pucker.
I'm a senior engineer. I did it. I can't even believe it. I've done it. Let's go. Actually, I was not supposed to win this. Why didn't it break?
Time limit exceeded, failed successfully.
This feels even worse somehow. This actually feels like the worst possible outcome to all of this. Because I actually have to go in here. I have to go here. I have to go status message. I have to do this. Then I have to go back to here. Then I have to say yes. Then I have to put in my password. And then I have to go submit. And then I have to watch this happen. Bro, what? What? Hold on. Hold on. I can't. I just. I'm going to do it again. We're doing it once more.
Pro programmer here.
Thank you. We're doing it again. Well.
As I said, pro programmer.
I deserved it. My solution was not fast enough. Though getting a conveniently correct answer in between two submissions. I failed.
Homeless inbound. Failed your family, sad. I looked up to you.
You know what the worst part about this whole thing? Even if I turned off stream, the alerts would still continue to come through the headset. I don't get a Christmas ham. I have failed my family on a timeout. I literally lost because I couldn't get my O notation fast enough. Like, that's like the worst way to lose.
I have to unsub now, I guess. Nice knowing you.
Out of all things to lose to, I lost it. I actually feel so upset about that.
One of us. One of us. What a loser. Can't even feed his family. Lamau. You know what you must do. But do you have the strength to do it?
I do. I have the strength to do it. I have the strength to do it, and I'm gonna do it. Thank you for
Come
the
on,
5,000
man.
biddies.
That was so entertaining. Ice cream for you and the kids. Merry Christmas.
Fine. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Okay? I'm gonna do
Should
it.
have used
Stop
PHP.
cheering. Let me do the thing that I have strength to do.
I still love you, my streamer.
Thank you.
Gaming streamer, let's go.
Bye. I failed you.
I don't.
Should I play Path of Exile 2 or should I just end the stream? I actually don't know which one I should do.
Homeless stream when?
I just don't want to have to reinstall stupid operating system.
Hi Prime, Devin here.
Hey.
I'll push ham to master for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Install it, IRL, car stream, let's go. Gaming, should we do some gaming?
The name is The Homeless Again.
The name is The Homelessagen, and I don't have Christmas ham. I failed my family on time. I actually am still so upset about this.
Play, I will pay for your internet.
Thank you. I just hate the fact that I didn't, like, get